baby?
Today is Friday, baby.
My girl.
Yeah.
And I like your band.
Yeah. It's Yemfita, baby.
It's Yemfita, baby.
Yeah.
And I have one. My social will colors now connect you.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow beer.
Yellow beer. What can see on the Soviet call?
Nonsia aboard the Shemaima Pejabasa Croncroa near the Chira was Surabuano Cantanchibo Moano pay. Why ye? Yansu ye Gina Pa, ya who de Sakwabai, and Sempaya Buano or many Nutunin in Ata, Crofama Suntocronia Pomo, and ya de Badamos the Sumpa, and upon Siabrimocasia Bocasia Bono. The idea couldn't be in say, Man Pengin and another Danko Kufuado, was here be my Yankanya and Hoka Krana Ukraine. And I do how be abraying.
Asantema say MPP amanyo kono so sha say enu adaso mo doso wo mo pedi brede wo party nim na enu a chairman de no ekwawiye ne kosi se ne ye bewuram ne ye de ho nkomo
local government so mo hyehyeye no ebebua pa ama mesiri ne amantam sikasem atumi akonanim
say dia sompa fam nsantwafo betima se kira kase kakran asumdwe apie eyenkransa abonten so
enkramantam information service why hyehyeye tene mrantie na gu abonten no ma kyerɛkyerɛ e-levy ɛho
Amsia weni afufro pi ni akekese ene ene se kase abia wo bia na no pɛ ye ba ne de aba besomo ye ne yesomo no pɛ na ya bo amale bia boga menimini aba
hinini ama crunches of mami primeni kase bono enkyerɛkyerɛmu ankasa enie
ya sha se de free nkransa bonten so se de betima se kira kase kakran sumgie epie nkransa bonten so abra IGP etu dom so omonkon kransa na omo ne abusuan kosia omo ne mrante ne mabawa no atisi montere so chobo ye ekowi ase no makoto sha posifo so aka omo nyina egu abonten police cells one ya chechi omo go omo bieja wo no no omo no omo nkosia na asomdwe mra no sese de yebetima kasa asomdwe kakra eba COP Christian Teteyo no ene aposifo mpanimfo ene koye kosia mrante ne mabawa no kosia abusuan ekoma omo ya akone hyeden ekoye ne mpanimfo kodidi nkomo a enkakra asumdwe eyaba enam sema panimpa ohani amansa di nkomo wa posi adwuma no Chief Superintendent Alexander Bain ene sompa feminsen twefo di nkomo wa chechire mum enhyehye aposi adwuma na ye ewo nkransa bonten so ene ne yenhwe ne mu se ebefiri mu aba
team no abaye no Commissioner of Police are in charge of the administration. COP Mr. Christian Teteyo in the deal by. We also baby or my baby. Or more prepare hospital, more personnel, more no more share. The enemy at 2 We also pussy and only. Pussy. Najuma deba kunisa so boban awon patemu ha enti akwan hodo a eba ahanum nyina police police for bejigina akwan so a onwohwe se ni nyina achi ne beba ne se obi kodi bone ema bibinsi awon patemu ha
Awzani di Chief Super Alexander Bain and yetene kanenu achiri abrante Albert Akwasi Donkwa busua omo de anuomo ka no so mo ne apusifu ni weka omo no mu ni asem bia aka yomo ka ene so mo de asem na kwa akodan court na omo gi wo mo ba e de afia apusifu ensem
je nipa omo suna se Ghana police anye omo ni sansa asem Ghana police IGP anu ankasa na yeken na regional commander no yeken statement omo de aba abonten no yes na tie different tie usa Ghana police nka no kre nti abusuan ni panini bia nsia even IGP kura ba ye ne nsia ye wasama gise court lawyer na any police for be kasa nti abusuan de ya kan kire omo se ye ne omo nsia ne nsia kina police no asama police ni ye ka no na o kan we ya o china na wa kan we nti enti mu ma se IGP wo be kan kire se de si no pa ye chew na kwa mofra no fa so mo hande akola no aka baabi no pa ye chew na support bia abusuanu be hia e be nya justice ama akola Ghana police mo de be mai na wo mfra kire na wo mfa sa press release we ma amato net ma wiase abia hu se akola no ye criminal ti Ghana police fo a ye criminal say am robbers no omo hu se akola no hu mo pese omo cover no enti na omo kokun akola say de be ya security no enadi
IGP ma prosperity free techman ebe kan kire me say a prosifo mebo mama ne say akola no afirimu a bra ndame e wo hobi ti woni me kasa de to mframam e ma nipa nyina etibi pacho ye no omuni agina ye bia ti se de te no pacho o man penfo ne nkwala omuwo se mi hia be ba no se de o mbagi no me ho ewo fie na sa na mi hia me ba no
Wey Albert Akwesi Donko no aposifuo kun no no nabusua enana kase
ye to aso mampanyini na nado danko akufuado wakasa se bibiman se de odoma nkoma bo yen wama ya sase bedie pa ye ne nyina de hia yen nanso emu timamufuo hia ye cheko hia wosi ohia to ape ya ohia bubura mase proye kwadwo so de no pabo to wo na ato ache ye ni o de animu a ne na de so didai ye ne nam kwasikwa kwa rentintin kromu a ye jeje niema na se etumi jai na ye boye bra ko ye ni mo de asem itu dwa wo bra 22nd Academy of African Business Development Conference enkran eno de asem e de atumo na na do dan kwa kufu ado se yensu ye betumi aye ni apem akoyanim United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 2030 ye bedru wade ya na nya de aye kwasere obi ada nenam krofo amaso wase bibi man kwan aye enhyehyeye ye sika sam ne ye bibia ejina kwasikwa kwa wen tenten kapreba ne nsempo am de be man wo mu ye ano ma kyekere afa David no ma de aso aye bi jamra ye je ho ba bi enyi mampanyini na nado danko akufo ado se brason se bibi man ye betumi akoye nim na sam wei ena be de kire ya wo bo adwuma agriculture so ye onumanyamfo ya frempon ado enso akasade afa ho se wo hwe wiase amanyina Ukraine enchira ka kire na titi bi dia ba be hwan ye papapa ni titiru ene fertilizer ho akwatwe no nenso wo man no ye de betumi se ye ne ankase ye benya bi e wo ye man mu
ukrede ye be kwapo ye ne omo produce organic fertilizer organic nyina e be hyiemu ya hanmo eno be ye michi ye encourage omo nyina ene mo bia ba betim dia bo omo no mo timi dia di omo dwuma na omo timi produce fertilizer ya organic fertilizer bi o hano ni dodo na ye be hia no o se omo no factory no sisa ena fertilizer ye hia organ hano so ebi umpa eti ebi o ka omo timi supply na kwa be de ye be fa so aboa wo mo betimi supply eno na ye ba be di hu dwuma yi ni dodo na ye ka o se za de wo ya ye wo unit bi o ya friend PPRS omu ebe certify say adena wa produce omu be test ahwe say papa da say papa betimi abo akwadwuma na say abo akwadwuma no nti omu certificate bi a let say betimi no why business so but do no eso mu di man no na omu ntumi omu ho di ni sa ye no omu di sa wo so anti ukwada ye no omu be meeting kase bi pa wo ye ha na obi a say the capacity ada onya ka ho betimi atimi produce more pa maye. So because obi ni mo chira kwa de besi we countries too pen e ko na wiase gira yes what is alo na se e chira na se bibi mo besi obi na e be den enti e de na wa ha no na se se ye ni e ba ho pa obi ti se zoom na yo oye compost osisi compost plant e wo region bia 16 regions ni na osibi yo no se ba be produce organic fertilizer papa ye waste ya ye wo fie and no more carbon, no more different food. And then also say, about me a son now, or no to produce more. Now, Omoya and that's small ones, no se met my bone, now almost at Omonumenum.
Only Monyan for ya friend Pon, Ado, our coach as well for Betty a tree, and your cotton in common.
Afem famon ko sunu ko MPP amanyuko no matena ye ne o mahobo a wono mo ye de ato aba wo manta mahodo num no mo de mpanimfo ebede da amanyuko na no na asante manta ma se yenra ena mpanimfo hye ase so omo doso wo mu a omo epe chairman yedie omo pe vice chairman adie omo pe organizer adie Nasara ni women's organizer nom ho no omo de hye ase efriye na ade ba ko apie vet ni mane se emra chairman untumi bowura ho nom no ene anche bia ena papa no opieye ode no kwaku apia soso bowura ho no o eni sima no soso apie owura asarebedi akososo wura ho nom no eni jima na che so no soso ko ena adumba wua wono soso ko ye na nche bia no wosen na mom owura kwabra usu aduomi a woye kane mranse badwani o mranse badwafie ma de so mo ajeso abatom pesia so wono na nansantwefo ya kire se aso okoche wo vetin dem wono mododo eno nti opie ye no so mpa fam nsantwefo penspedu kataro nante ene panini di nkomo busa ne se na de na ne nuanom nyina akoye na ni jima wo mu pie besen koye na so no de ende wo chesa e de nsam nko ena na wo mo ebusa no ene anya bia ne ye tete se bia na wo ma disqualify ne ade no na wo chesa sa nsam no kwade ni kwanso bia so woda so aginamu a campaign a wo ye ne se ne si abre no enya asem keto akra
mindi kan ka chomo se de hia kase first enen kabom ya wo se itimi nya wo party no timi ba me make sure say ntawantawe bia ye wo party no bia ya kan onyina bom politics there da ya ba ko hu bedim but ni nyina ne se cheopa na e memo bia aba on board na fashion say wo ye party no nyina so no me ba ye be ya chama ya me fasa ne ma no nya dwuma obi aba na dwuma because ya trouble ma so na face so san ba bi o say me ka chom say betumi pa san awon elections e wo say development e wo region so etimi pagya no kakra especially yakwan ntimi chom say Monday no kra no me ko anto akwan so kokoye engineering works bia person yes akwan no kwesi astroma so kwanta eno ye bia ya ebetumi asevo amanfo doto nti ba say other constituencies no me nem susu ya ne say critical roads bia wo bia betumi ama MPP yen votes no etimi pagya no nipa wo besan ado MPP o besan pay party na sem no o se etimi di hodwuma nti me de to chairman no ono aso ne regional minister nim say o so oboa ndachi mbe chairman ya o say ye nyina etimi ka bom na mpuntu dwuma no aye wasantemem no etimi epagya no ho
Ora kwabna ousu aduomi ye kanem na sebedwani o wamra sebedwafie ma de so mo ajeso abatom peso se de nani abede pa ya ope eye Ashanti regional chairman na dia enra okọ vetting na obobo so niema wo se ubedi chama ya wo so we ma Asanteman ewo kroimu
na se de beye na nkronketua ne mpuntu onsam so betimi afantoma pa bia frenti wa free dwumade bia se a wo kirem se wo ye na mantam drum sia ni nyina mu wo boa ama ye nkronketua wo msikasem asode agina enra pani kware akomada abotre so na enya sembo fra kra eni ntiri ne aku atwotwo wuro ni pabia nkoma wo mra ya no durubu mu e waso ye ehwe nkronketua ne mpuntu onsam so ekobi na local government expert Madam Ruby ne Pam na no na mebusa asade we yebroni ne onye broni de obefiri mfantemem kuku anu krom na toto abrofudinsa ena wo kirem se we ye dwumade e beboa papa nti DCs no wo mo fa ne serious na wo momoa sanse wo my Ghana sika sam no ankasa kese no se betumi agina eye nwuma ye be no enkronketo amu no eno so tumi pushi emane nyina ekọ nanim na we no omoye no hwebe mebunu be se empemaduonu betumi enya dwuma wom Madam Ruby Nell Pam.
But then we are trying to, the MARC program, which is the Modernizing Agriculture in Ghana program, is a support from the Canadian government to the government of Ghana to support the agricultural sector. It started 2017 and it's about phasing off. As part of the sustainability measures, the assemblies are to begin investing in the agriculture. The ways is to introduce the local economic development tool, which is being spearheaded by the local government ministry and then the Institute of Local Government States. So MAG, as is facing off, is being linked to the LED so that agriculture can be developed with funding supports by the assemblies as the MAG program phases out. So that is what has necessitated this workshop, so that we can have interaction with the assembly, the key management of the assemblies, and then the key players, so that funding can continue for agriculture sector to lead to the local economic development of the various localities.
Madam Ruby Nel Palm, ya oye local government yesepete, and ye mami what is any brofua and ye trocan, a bit ye the animal babai. You are fraudry.
I'm just going to ask you. Yeah, from promo. Now, Opereko Jeffo, Executive Director of the National Commission on Culture, no, Ora Janet Edna Nyame, and Utu Ghana mindful, we say Yamamreni Amaniano, see Pijem, Nia and Cheche Wahua, a Benam Somon Puntu Jumane, yo, Abamo, may pa. Or the sound summit to Jawabram Penning for Bobo, Neso don't for ya, Dumachna, and a World Cultural Diversity Day, Jumedi, or more Edia Shesson was say, Yanka, say of Nucromo, dear. Yes, I didn't pay Amamreni Amani Moa. Puntu Bebe Bakrimunya Sanketwa.
Ye war tribes to be brave, ha. Sabi ye war and Cranford, ye was Santifo, ye were Dagmani, Dagati, and Fantini, ye can home be brave. Then so, and I'm saying United Sis and Nipa Bakunti, and Emma and Cambomone as smooth from Koyehun or Maywin. And to say, a passage, say, it, ye war. Amamreni amani bebredi and nso so ye nyina te se nipa ba ko ene ye pese ye kaka ye ho se Ghana for moma ye ntena se nipa ba ko mema hu se meme ye enkrani meme ye asantini meme ye fantini enu nti minua a wono nye asantini ana wonye enkrani no menene nye ana se memfa na mamreni na mane no nye bibia moma ye nkoso na ye hu ye ho se ye nipa ba ko
Me Edna Nyami Amananso anu eche World Cultural Diversity Day Jumedia eba sochira no obobobo so nhihye a wo maye ede eremu
ene day every 21st of May which is Saturday ntini e shift by any mum ne kakra da bia wiase amanan afana nyina wo matuasi wo se yan kwese ye bebo ya mamre ho dawu nia ediba e won kabo mu ene mpuntuo anti brofun ye be kan say cultural diversity, a tool for dialogue and development. Enti ene day say ye kaka ye ho ya mamre ade asonko e de man se oban ye ka say ye nyina ye nipa ba ho Ghana ha wo hwa ye wo tribes bebre wo ha se be ye wo enkranfo ye wa santifo ye wa dagmani dagati and fancy ne keka ho bebre nanso enam se ye nyina ye ti se nipa ba kunti ena emma enkambomo ne asomdwe sonko ye hu no mayimu
Observe me Edna Janet Nyame ye peni kwanche for the National Commission on Culture no
Ora ire Shalomina ukube kwen wono na akonkramante mo a Formation Service Department asye ba manema ba no woda no na wo se wode ne mrantie ne maba wate agumo montreso no aye ncheche de amade shefa ilevi eho ya maame echiremu a enanum ene wo de agentete ya wo mo de echirechere sa no se de beye na obi a betene ho ase wo se ilevi aba abebo adepa ya eba abeboa timemufo
eye Sunday etwamu ya na eye district region municipal information officers some the whole Ghana ye nyine ko hia mu Kumasi ene ye ncheche mai deputy minister for finance, deputy minister for information omu nyina bai ene ye be ncheche nti ankrofo ne de ye de o ma fantitie mu pa a cheche omo ne wo so boka so obi wo questions bi ana so obi nti bibia se omo wo kwan on be fa so a on be cheche ni mama ankrofo ate ase nti ne be se ne se eye o man for no mu hu omo no mu approach omo se omo be cheche 11 ma omo fa akoma pa enti omo asomo mo be kan because ye den ya policy ne de and our levy no it has come to stay so we have to learn to live with it or stay with it enti nyina ya beti ye ho ase ni ehu niema 11 ne kan niema 11 ne kan no na ma obi ankosisie sure no ye hwema ye ni faces say ne de mobile van education ye ni for 3 days and a visitation no is roughly 5 days enti bibia ni a ye via ye be review na ahwe the way forward say betwa so ayen cheche na na say e de besi ho
Mame Shalomina Ewukube Queen ena yete ne nka na de shima ma so na ejina no pay sompa kase boy boa no de bremo ye di asi hey ohini ni amakranche adazoa sofuma mi premeni minimira
nana yabo amalibia boga
21st clinic say eba sciatica no ho every usisi mu kono a woto ase ho no ntina fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo ho ba bia enye enti 21st clinic wo mo na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mo de bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o yade no masa de machine aka ho yade bibiduro ka ho ne asa de wato machine so ya san ya o massage bi ye wi a herbal treatment yade awono ama sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert I will to ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho wo oboase wo be ho 21st clinic wo oboase council quarters wo oboase court junction hwa ena kuma senso ahia wudu session so wo mo na nie dwabo so wo mo ho sunyane ni wenchi ni ba bia nkranza 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
My friend, our problem is our leaders. You don't stand up for your rights. Democracy means if you do not criticize your condition, you understand, you're a traitor to the nation. You remember our great-great-grandmother, Ya Santwa. Did she depend on her brofo? She didn't. Go see the castle. Go and see the people they got there. Dr. Kwame Minimshi, he's there. Professor Dr. Mwasam Kwana Mishan, he's there. Dr. Professor Emeritus Kitwabiana Miredi, he's there. Nana Kuntumpo the first, he's there. You know, Evangelist, Bishop, Asorisika Kwana Miria, they're there. You know, they don't do nothing for you. We have no water. We have no light. Look, a small road they're building, they can't do it. From Accra to Kumasi should be a 4-lane highway. Stand up for your rights. And he said, I'm looking for the one with the big brown eyes. Oh, he knew himself with the tattoo of your brown eyes. Whoa, ain't found her yet, got a ways to go. The lady with the brown eyes. Gotta find that girl and make her mine. Yeah, your name, Wawa. Ya Kwaba. West, no, you're confirmed. Hey! Don't even get it. Okay. Hey, those times for Skyhawks. Hey, Willie G. Hey, now I'm for Sky B. Yeah, what wrong with this? When we were reading, where were they? Yeah. Yeah, I've got Skyhawks about. Now, Skyhawks, oh, that time, a Paso nightclub, and then top 3, and then oh, that way. Balance boy, and you go this those times that you do a shema. Hey, yeah. London Beat. That's your favorite song, man. You know that bottle. Now, as I know, bitch, I don't know. Hey, put your stamp on. There's some song. Go via stamp on the other bottle. Or you cook a guy in the service.
I miss my boss. The boss today, I watch you.
Hey, is you? Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, that's what I miss you, baby. And I've got those feelings again. I guess I'm
not confused about you. What can I do? I've been thinking about you. Oh, hey, yeah, but ultimate joke. Now you have oh, the Columba show. As far as I had a job 2018, 2019. As an accommodation. Yeah, go show you see another bomb. Yeah, bomb corner. All the time in the Asia that goes so. Oh, yeah, but science just himself. Yeah, yeah. What kind of man? Who's man? Oh, get the grand and live. I'm sorry. They are one baby small. Yes, well, dancing without now. The whole day I have and I'm going to pass out to me. I ran to our cow. A girl goes to house. I can't see myself. Oh, my jeans, I'm your house. Oh, my, we are from 2004 after 5. You did about 8 years. Who's about 20 years? I'm a jeans. All right, good people. That's a Friday. That's what we do here. It's a teaser, you know. Now, as I say, you know, understand. And somebody, Dr. CK, London Beach, hold on for me. One more say, Mema, and Koyon saw what Bema Mubianko is stars, Bianco Yastro. Almost something to say, Sajina Hodgeno. How can you? There be a member that's here on demo. Also, who are so Easter, I know a man and the girlfriend I got tired down. Now, oh yeah, but I say, Sasta and a friend said doggy star crown. And could now Barnachi, Usubunko today. And there's honey, I know. The one you care for adult experience in the hotel, I'll put the end of Buka crack. Now, so why say ya blood flow, blood circulation. So which na hosana and koye. To one say ya, who also fire, but one now who find your dry team. Doctors Richard say people hanuma or have sex with after about 30 minutes. No one ya stroke. On tiasie. Let's see and along the day no mojanet men near Fusani be na junin trini adibina kote. Yet remember Mutieme. Nyawo bema bebre nya ho se wona wi sister nyina woni wie ya we dangerous wo dey make house woni obedi ewu no
akunta who say dog
ya doctor na e ka
doctor dey waka
anti dey
na akunta ebi wo ha ya na
you don't need to stand dangerous o ya
I told us ohun say ade na exercise so ohun
no in as much as sex who got to jina ha e no so betima exercise
akuta bia na sasa sasabro
timi mun kotoja
akotoje no ya na sasabro wo
lazy man e ya o ma bi won say man kunu kuku nu
ya na hwiem
kunu di wanye e ta fa ni kokuntinu ho star bebre wo ho
star bebre wo say akuta bia o ye no so na obedurum so hu
e die
e to da akuta it depends on style no wetima hiti Gino.
Gino.
You know.
Oh, maybe I didn't change me.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
All right, it's 6:39. This is Friday morning special. And we warmly welcome you. Adadwa is seated. Yabuaba is seated. Your change. Kwabra Kesi and Akosia so be kan ho. Enti yesremo a doctor for advice there. Wo wonya expert. Enti so mo kan tie. Say that such positions can lead to health implications, hypertension and stroke. But doctors say sex is good. Ebi mo say see at the debates. Obu says and kabenya 3 times in a week. 3 times in a week. And no you na. Doctor Baku so be an answer na mitino or say too much in yet. Ubenyanka once a week or twice a week.
Any or no dear Unimajuma, doctor, Unimajuma.
I said, oh, my acquires a papa no, Minan and wedding fee saying, I didn't say, was coming a real almost, sir. Hey, what about your man who could know that blah? A boa woman, a boa memma so cry, the boa memma prostate. So be money oba enyanhye mo na you say exercise the prostate gland into ma prostate cry sa prostate cancer ne prostate but multiple sex partners so na enye because no so the infections ahodo obrel e metimi cause bladder infection no ne ade entino
agonte no doctor dey na eka
I don't understand the research. You want to me a doctor multiple partners.
Multiple partners. And
yeah.
Yeah, new film network.
Ah, the doctors will tell you what. Yeah, ultimately. Me any other do amene no kwane da ono so me kwane da be da nya infection.
Ya kunta udi aben kwan sa afi.
Eno an ye di ye.
Dey.
Enye sa o baba no mami odi kakra di banku.
Udi kakra frame mu ne ko
sam papa. E bia na.
Ene fie ya transition ka de di mpuntu obeba. Ni e ma ji ni pasa be mu. Obi send you message o. O say a friend Lois pencil. O say first na mo bon entako no. First 2 days in we are at least in I see a gada serious school jams. Now see any what Gina ni bi papa.
Yeah, your friend I don't know ye no Stadium Hotel.
Ah, you.
Now you call Sphinx so Sphinx Edum and I will mark the shrine. I don't know your evening. Enye is a cry. Okay. My many Dr. Enamel Chuchen Komo. Dr. Anthony Enamel. Will come for Anochi. Dr. Enamel, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Doc, now I'm pumped to say. Yo, Dr. Enamel, there is a year I told you I said physiotherapist with Kolebu Teaching Hospital, Hussein Boche, and I also Koshen Ghana 43 Mema say, one obai siana ujinawa, it can cause stroke and hypertension because we should be mindful of positioning when having sex. Wadaroma, that's positioning in sex accounting. I bet me I'm obi etimenya stroke and hypertension and I say what menya or how be.
Okay, thank you very much. In fact, you can know yes and no. Well, yes, intimacy because sex activity diana ema akoma a bon term no possible say a bit me cause complication. Now ayana niema ni si no ya build of risk factors. Risk factors na ka hopa na ema position in the position in per se in quantity na me say yes and no. Position no na wo other risk factors na ma stressing home more na preventing more than because we know how ayana mo tane na akoma ni na ko baby aka no unlike South Africa akomani ni ejuma kesi nti ni all kind of factor na ni say mo akomani ni ejuma more nti so you be a age one factor nti the more away you know I about 40 to 50 no which ejuma ho I know potentially because of say we be na ko ni nkata especially 60s kono worse because akomana ye ejuma che na especially when we exercise we come and the kakra dem extra stress no na amount potential stroke any pressure na akɔsoro more near tossing you this time no because for you aphrodisiacs no dodo or no bibi edi akoye eduma and also emma extra stress about so into ukoye na say you know ha and no emma akoma no ye eduma double and na say triple kra e bigina akoma no bigina baby because akoma no machine can say the tell you eduma you do make a time and rest nti say be akoma no medro this time no ya be didri or market so be friend in the breeze
Dr. Namel, not just a unfair draw Sunni or Bada, Obetimania Hawana in the course of it. No,
yes. I send you already. I'm born on one country, a minimum extra energy. Especially so underlying problem. I'll be on man, Akumayari or whom and also about his advantage.
Yes, I bet to cry hypertensive now. They say, Obet my hypertensive now. Now I confess, Drew.
Yes.
In the course of intercourse now, Bibi Betima trigger.
Yes, because hypertension, no pressure was in our own sex is very exciting. And my blood pressure causes more. Internet new rupture vessel, Emma, I shall be cashy. Tell me apart. In a Ghana, and I did acquire any check up. Will be on our hypertension or diabetes. Nakuma no boyario, Sakuma no but don't check it. The man signs, Omusano, okay, these are Kahoma activities, no cost rate here, a bit near Akumayari, not among hypertension. So, indeed, what can I make an endocrine factors now about Kafano de Kahua? As the original Emma stream now and now Akuma, and I said, than a Pompimono, in a bit nearly to Tanya or Kahua.
Dr. Namel, Mami Musa, say, Tufu pa. There is an argument, say, Kaubenya, and the normal circumstances, Kabe, between a week, Biaone or Yin Shiabe, Yunumiensa, Ebimucha say a bois prostate gland on the pa, Ebimuso say, and not see too much. And your body, Bema, our for and a bit decide, Anna, and what you think is the best option?
Well, once I say our question, there are many options because a lot of factors come in. Even availability. Yes, and them or sorry, I'm a park or Juma 5, about 12, or no bread. In China, you became say more problem here. I mean, if you have sex regularly, a be improved, that's all the time. Now, why you see any conditions, the self devious, and I also say, we make issues only underlying heart problem, only no problem, because sex is just like another exercise. There are no problem, then here. So we see extra strength because you can modern man or whatever. And then the year if you are not new, you are person of calling any time of the video energy. Energy no more come and you extra. Then you can get complications from it.
So, you know, and yeah, the number of times, no. But
your state of health, availability. Because I mean, Bema, years, and when you see it, I think I know the call. 3-5 minutes in I don't know who now you need to be a but the thing is, we need a group. Said 30 minutes, no, your boss. You come and
it is obese super sabia that beyond in a year die and when you.
No, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Provided someone could use it to be a enhancing heart now.
Okay. Dr. Namel Medasi. Okay. Dr. Namel, you need to change Komono. Nasem Yana say, I want to use a drawer. And every day, grab to know Irada, Monday to Sunday. Natural. But how can no drone be a one in a da 1 hour? The everyday near there, oh, Hakumano. And also be also an Akuma, and yet by Onim. Obu also cry your hypertensive on Kochake. What's that called Fedruna? On say sex so a trigger happiness within you. And to the more now, oil and any agent oil and the pressure so cost to Abu Hana team.
Till be Mudason. Be a so on a team.
Nadia, we will yell with us was a street or straw him, my bell. I want at the end of the tennis say. Sasta na Dr. Nekam. Jaho Genedia conta you free many.
Come on, Papa.
Cause you're more. akunta ye wia
na jawaji ko be ware
wo jina ho ne de ma
ba ta bra ka na sam jaro ba
nyina ho no waje nyina ho no waje
Agosia, give me 5, baby.
That's it. Akunta eye kama rough na wie na so sasa bro ka ho a akunta nya no an say okọ 21st clinic so okọ sciatica na
dawa so we we ase dawa okọ pe ha ba ho no akọ sciatica
no akunta so wie gira hoje a na sasa bro ba
okay
na okọ 21st clinic
ho ko gira hoje ai
akunta gira hoje na ma hu se so da bia ye
na no tete no kwala bremu ni mpa eti carpenter ni bi to ko mo bi na
akunta se okoto afade wo fom na fe mui ohun
okoto ede
aso okoto afade bi fom na chese mui no sa no ase wurade nyame
ero kra mo ho me ka foforo
I'm surprised.
Why are you surprised? Hello, Beba. This young lady is getting married on June 5th.
Yes,
no, kawe ya what's the day?
Oh, say ebra ye ba ye take no ban. Now boss no say o man hina kama asema no pay. She, busa da bani no. You do spec.
Eh bia, akosia star no. Akosia se ne star. O star e doggy o.
Oh, o man ye ka ho bi. Na me de me ka cha doctor for ne say o man ye generation ni ntwam. And so no man can no ho asem say.
Mo, cause you mo.
Mo ka doggy. Say na me ye free ho sa na. So say my ade.
Mo say wo jina wa na obu nkotojo de ye. Na ku tintinti we awe wa. Why you kutu wo jina we be yi?
Ebeye.
Ku wa cha o ma.
Ebeye.
Usu de say.
Ebeye.
Na de wo jina wa na wa ma obu turumu no kuku no. Ani ane wa. Wo jina ho sa na be yi.
Aputa tumulu kuku na ujine chance he me pa mini ujine chance o se me pa mini
program said also your baby son or na kuntru ho also obo na fedi o se ge odan na nipe ge ni say eh wo jiwani
O just say originally was but on a more serious note, you have to be careful.
Yeah.
Sex position, no. Dr. Adamel say yes and no. And koyo unko yista sakesi bi obu onu ma.
Yeah, baby, I mean, you do poma me bu spana ko. What dam papa.
There be a total exercise. There ye. Mami say angry je kakra.
Mo ba mi go di komo brother. Ye wo erade ba. Me pasire su.
Pabra guess where basala.
Se me hwe mo.
Odo oti odi obi na no a. Obo no. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo akasa se why worried. Na ne hawo nyina ko wie se fertilizer ho ayetin. Eba sa na ama abro
Ukraine.
Any soy bean. Ni dia na abro so ne sa soya bean no. Ena ye de emma nkokọ.
Millet no.
Enti wo hu sesesi a no poultry farmers ebre pa mu huna mane. Enti anopai no ye kwa ahoma so na Asante Mantem ha Chairman of Poultry Farmers Association, Dr. Boris Baidu. Yene na twetwe nkomo. Na yetie wo so how ne amane ne kode na wo namu. Dr. Boris Baidu, Chief Executive Officer, Boris B Farms, anopaye mo ache.
You say Brumenia online.
I want to say
ya bo the other Roma, Ghana for ne something man Ghana for. That was Cinnamon Bible. And I was on Bible woman than then
all right. My share poultry farmers. One outdoor man no Asante Mantem ha. Ma hu ye hia every say ahokyere ba ya bro ene niema amodidi dwuma je man kokọ ne nkusu asem yi. Say the city ye say obi nim wa fomu a. Unko obi afomu ana obi nim wa fomu a ene o kan de onim. Wonkwa na wotija no ho mo na motija no ho na mo hu sane ne hye sifa boy enkoma no pay
Oma bi da wasi edu na bi da wadi atu se je wa mo afitra pa e wo sumpa na mi shrawo so na ni ne we na me nso adwuma pɛnti no de bɛkɔ akyire no ti nyinaa right kuku ani ade ɔmo nyinaa bɛkɔ akyire ɔman sɛnsɛm a ɛnura me tii sɛ president ɛde kaa sɛ fertilizer no ɛbɛyɛ ɛyɛ problem ɛnam Ukraine ne Russia ntɔkwa no na yɛahwɛ a ɔse the poultry industry could suffer greater shock, says the president. About the tea, you know, how many years? May have many things say, said ye, Sa Ubin Tokwa, Ebe Kayen, Ama Jumadia Yedio, Ama my, the poultry farmers, you bird flu could be a wool, other pie in the show. I must say, no, poultry farmers one. Number two, feed so a boy a question. A man so I ask them, Amay. Now, the tell us, President the Crowd said you say, a man penny should be ash. I want money now. There was Shea, a Ministry of Food and Agriculture. I'm not said you, I will see you never coming up boom. And ma, over the home and a book, a bomb and penny. A German penny, your car would declare because the other country no, and not all come wasn't. Nani Busset, 3.1. You never will never Kosua. 40 farmers say, who come and who clear, or fast or fango. When feed the bono, I am playing. Maybe a Kronan Katano, Ministry of Food and Agriculture. What is their strategic plan? I don't know. And where need more? Said you will be too far one common equation. Yet you are a real singing. Though a good idea, big a crack, little bit, how you could have a mind ship. And I'm in Tokwa, we are caution. That strategic plan, then it could be an effort. We are sure that I said you on my penny, and now see him. I am into and I am share. I'm a one now. Won't cook you. I said you make us be more at the beer 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it did be 20 weeks. The whole cycle of production is about 80 to 100 weeks. Which is almost 2 years, but 1 to 2 years. Sunday, no, on mine. Saturday, we air share. The big thing will be crashing. One more, the farmers for Fabaco. The Bunny Kumbo, some Panay 3.1. Saturday, we put here and share. But the point in the set, strategic plan day in the Ministry of Agriculture because the problem is.
That's $1 million question.
I said you had a background and they say, a more 5-year plan. Namibusa say, strategic plan day. And the idea they a buffer 10 years in the year. And some say the air the bar. You bet get me a deal of mine, a deal of not too sure. Because I'm the very Bible when you say you want Bob or grains. I know. Some Panay, I'm the very Nigeria. Yet me, I President go form a time the ministers in Bakon as a share from Bako. Let me share Nigeria for a more to be. If the young the strategic plan then was said to be a separate air there, said you want to use the one king. Immediately, no, said you end me for a young position. No more at least, can you be on the 2, 3, 4, 5 year plan? I am going to know the South Arabia is a war not to Aswa, Ukraine and Russia war not to Aswa to see the idea. But they 8 million Sanwa. The strategic plan.
Mame Musawe, Dr. Morris Bedi, I'm Shadia. Cecia Pano, a bro, a boy, say, wheat brand, mo botona motono, canina says, see how they just say.
For my first, I thought you are 60 cities. And net a blue ball, and no Ghana Commodity Exchange, GCX. I'm supplying. price I'm calling about book a cry one. Near the toy to the 180 Ghana cedis. After you should have one team for a ton 200 Ghana cedis per 50 kilo back.
A bro.
A bro. It's a triple over 300 and something %. Who will check it? Soya bean, let me turn on a test 120, 130. Across the 140. And we have told 285, 290 to 300.
Yeah, 50 kg, no?
50 kg.
Now, I said, a bro bottom, Kasa, say.
A bro bottom is 600 cedis.
600?
Yes. About also choir, 555.
Hey!
Oh, my. Say, a friend said, the American young say, if you are a shady near Kremwa, a boy, the best friend. Send an answer, shady near Kremwa, not bank to one of them. And Ghana government, more bailouts. The stress are buying them poor farmers, bailouts. The bailouts are baby, and they say, opposite the 50 years, election. Not anything my planning. Say, even a broken who by a being. I must say, you are your Hawa. Young Kribby, Emra, and Buffer. So the Nano, you think fertilizer no air good piano. The fertilizer no air good piano. And I'm subsidy, said the mamma for. Oh, my, and if you did what, would ye, Yamma, you're for Yamra. Now, buy no more bailout. Make him up one and coffin, Naga, 40 farmers, 18 years a day, and feeding my Ghana because Koshiadi, 3.1. My, the tone I say. Young Shami and Kakushia, so the cat, chicken, or something, mortuary beds, and as a book I had to go for a cabin. Young Shami and Kakushia, the couple. It's not Ghana.
Sasia Kosiano, hello, Dr. Warisby. Yes, Kosia so wide. Now Kosia Baku say 2 CDs.
I said, a big body, a bad thing, because of my Ushan Kunkanua. Now we just so big and good now. Yeah, presentation. Check a mount for them. A brought on a thing, I'm still 3.1. So you're going to say, you're going to say natural. Bank, who's interested in natural. We're going to say natural. And it's actually more, you know, who say, I'm back. Who they could talk to share the one of friends here. Who be out of a car, who be a new game. And that's our farms, you know. At Chimaka, one area, any other area. They are closing down.
Poultry farms, baby, are closing down.
Are closing down, oh my.
In Kukon away.
But I'll say,
ever say, I'm not on Kukonana.
Your tongue Kukono, on me, Bankuko, on me, factory, on me, more things, and you know, or buy more. And it's the same, no. Ama, a year, a dear no iodine. What do you Ama, and no crown change. They say, no, a copy by beer. Yenya, said you a good them for, said you, mathematics not country, you know. Yen, so the year, you will look many, you look not trust because I know that is a bois, a sea ship, that mouth for me to call it. Put that here. Now, I said, no, oh, can the Ministry of Agriculture, Baku for and the cattle be in Kenya. Ministry of Agriculture, Baku for the cattle who be in Kenya. A idea a hard young farm more, a farm ye the boy. Now, tell you, on my suno, who on my penny are a war of pepper. I was, tell you, on my name. Now, should I kept you saying, that a powerful you were, or my engineer and say, I'm a young man, I'll tell you, never. Now, oh, yes, so the I always this is what I tell you. When my put time and I see it, this is not be this would make a year. And then, the moment you from the current tour, the minister said, your plan and your strategies in Milano, 18 Korea, and don't know how many will be one, and never be my son to at the Kenyan, and need to know how many edition every year, and need to send you on my penny, and me. Yes, what can be as well cancer. The poultry industry will receive shocks. Shocks they will receive. I'm on penny can. What they can. because the shaman no, it's really a coming kwa. So the people in the Ministry of Agriculture has to be changed because of the strategic plan. One thing I'm going to say, they can't. I understand people too say, I be on Sunday, I be a bit against so you are buying a bois, I'm another. And yeah, a bino is operating on a good note. A bino a year on a good note, but sector view of maybe an inclusion. The billion year, I can tell the car, other couple industry. And only a call buffer. They call meeting. But first up, and can't tell you, say, a person or so form 400 metric tons. 400 metric tons. A soup of beer or your farm, or won't go back 3,000 there 7 days. That's
400 metric tons of maize.
NASA. Anybody in buffer and anybody in the statisticians of what ministry, she can challenge me. I will do the mathematics accordingly. 17 years, you move over. They come from things, but we are private college students. We are quite vexed in the mathematical space. I calculate you, and they are what of name when you are given the chance. But you see, sometimes, you can. Coaches are suffering. And this is strictly now. You can see, that I don't know about the business one. I'm saying the other, or close. Now, on my 70, maybe they say, and who quiet the air for her. We don't go ahead trouble many now. So is that the prices of import chicken, all that the price of the API. Because almost soon, I want to know, and then you will be at the air possible. But how long and how many years and days can we depend on foreign staff? So the Omapani also one district, one factory. I said you will be there, whatever what community business. Now, I said, maybe I say, I wouldn't blame anybody. I wouldn't blame him because wouldn't be blame because he's one person, and one person said you because see I should die. Let's say you will be in young summer and for some financial. You see, the time when a president will be blamed for everything in this country, you see, a time when the president, now as a dancer cannot be blamed, and I'm not saying him out because it's my father. He cannot be blamed for this, but the second ministers in the places more, those who have to see the whole responsibility for things to be done and to be done. These are the people we have to talk to.
All right. Dr. Barris Bedu, Mame found see her. You better not say. Na who be here say be din komo. Na almost so hawa o mampani hu a wode na no atomo no. Kwabra.
Obahe.
Officially mo akwaba. Na I want to say. I don't pay our father ne mfe pa. Come up da ye.
Nyame na ye.
Na say baba wa ni hu yon wa. Nkoma ye die bi te wonka.
Yes, my head and my deans are. One say, assembly or Nasa Koto Sempany for can Yemfre, I won't mean for an untum. And which I wanted to hear the Mago. Okay. Into one I will control machine, whom I'm mean to me. No, Marquine. Oh, Cafe no Mamma Quine. I can't. Of course, you are in so by on the 5th of next month. Tinanka may hear Sanka, DB Gran and Kwan can air. Nanka, ya threatening or backdoor or Nanka, Yamea to Nansenka. Put me here. Nanka, we used to start artists no na weapon and what media win ya contact. But I cause you free say work can. Also I contact pass in Utwitwa. And yes, some pan match a pie so channel. Oh, we are going to ship so flag. Because so this anchor one way. Ibian so omu did your moment. Mathematically, scientifically, chemically, economically, your moment. Ntia konta anopede wan kasa wasumua yes ari na wo boka akofa no ehon kra na wo to se boa wo ho ewe me yale bi anim utimi se yade na neje ho pa but on a more serious note akonta me fa ba bi me ne doctors ne ya adwen ba fa ba bi nso me no mo nya adwen papa if you say o ma hene chana na yesi bia banche no na bia na ye nua na sa it tells us that we are moving forward ebere so ko enipa so bere ko wanimu no woni ye bi asesa ma hu se unyini o ma say way back so be ka ya bra na wo mfi be 12 years no ade bi na wo ye no na wo nye if you say wo hu se ehun heda hia
Paul Cross mi sana me
dwene se nkoda yes do so wo dwene se mpanenwen Sabi nyese bia wo no oba be that 3 hours 4 hours na che say wo obema enti ya me hu ye nuanom bia mo ye advert na so mo tonduro na wo no ma wotimi na oba da ya me bufu pa wo sa akwa no so o ma hene memma se de Yankopon si boy ya japade e yentini ayese sausage no e yentini enti the more na wuntini no e koba no na uwiki sana nyame heda ye no enti sakoba se bia wo do ho odi nyina e ma oba se wo num nduro because of se wo pese wo impress oba no wo mpamu a menu ya be madwene ho mienu ye wo kwan na no mo fa so mo de wo yen enne suatra enti wo hu oba na tomada ne nan ka ye chiwade anke bo man kora
ani obi
live e suatra ye nim kwan o man hene me amete ha me ma me papa fa so mo wo me enti adenti na suatra ma enne ye pese yankasa de ani ya bra bom no ye de ba ya bra bom emwa yen nim kwan no wa fa so ya pamadaka adenti na ye carpenter wo ti adumu pese wo sesa no it's very bad ye mi no mienu
all right anopai ye bedi nkomo tiawa bi
okay
na enkomo no your friend office romance
exactly
na ye busa se office romance ebo adwuma na emo adwuma we nye aware office romance de etimi lead to marriage
yes
ebi susu timi breaki bi heart wo so office romance eboa adwuma na emoa yaw
I don't know how to friends.
Ladies first. And then my system. Office romance, a boa name. I just want an intro. A boa name. What?
I couldn't tell boa pa.
Kwabra?
Am I?
A boa name. What?
Majuma cost.
A fa baby no. Ya ne depend ya juma wura no.
Ya fan say. Ya wa juma bi mo ha.
Open.
Or more allow. Wa when ya fan say. It is allowed. All things considered. Ceteris paribus, all things being equal. I find office romance. Etebia, the air came a Jumera who say a bois on was and answer old gem. Patratia said, I find say, a moi. Okay. I was here.
My boy.
A bois. Oh, Hini. Kai, I like that today. I like the combination today. Office romance, a moi. Yeah, because Bamunya will be a funny paper and a pen. And I'll pay a sumpa opinion pool.
Exactly.
Yeah, we send ye. Not the little politics make us feel good. It is important.
Now, on the more serious note, my name is be me bano. Let me see you. And I'll say, we can't say Friday live worship. No fabra. Na me boa no ba. Say Friday live worship on the drew her. Make you mudako.
Uni how cry.
Here a keyboard. Me worship de ho na ma ho den.
Me ma obi.
So de nyame afiri yeyem.
Me ma obi do.
So resane abefia asase ano. Na ene eyem enyame nwanwa so de ma me dan na he me nche na eba. Wadi ni huni. Eba nyame nwoma ye to no Ghana mo man. Me ye to da bia nya nwoma ye ebo no nipa ne ne ya ede. Na emum ya me power behind that music. Eno na kire tumia ekura ni
out
jene my way abaso yakwa solid dem se ankoto nwom ye nyina num se da na ase nya ne nam pia boa no obejo da na ase what tu no no and nine in nsra ko aboda mo papa me papa king vocalist na santema am get ready sompa the full package with our mind on my hand behind the console.
Exactly.
And the front members is here.
Exactly.
We are going to take the radio
massively,
to new level, baby.
Yeah, baby. All right, yeah, busa. Elipa num na ekoto aba no. Momfo ningu ho. The chairmanship. Chairman to me incumbent. Wodeno kwaku apia. Edum bawa ya radio mi ena asare bedi ako enipa numuin de odaso sesia no eye me ba cho momfa omu din to ase nye obi a nanim omo ena mate omo so nka
obno usu adiomi
we yewra kwabra usu adiomi former member of parliament ejoso former deputy me bacho make usu adiomi asem pa menwi ansa na de yewra asarbedi akoma aha can it be no eye Asante Mantem ha highways panini eno koye member of parliament ewo ejoso ni mprenu so eye deputy minister roads akwan bebre anano ma yenyina etese ono na design ye watesi former warrior campaign wono eka ho yewra asarbedi akon ana etoso yewra asarbedi akon enso so wadi chairman fie be duonu ne akire ewo asokwa constituency a ekowi ase en kra no chairman of chairman nyina was Antimantema ona ne dano 2018 wo unity pa that's what chisan wasa babio yenko odino kwaku apia na ni din de koka chairman odino ho kwaku apia odino kwaku apia so afija kwa abere wo ho waye chairman wo ho a che sisi ona chairman of chairman ono nso fi say ordinary logo abani ni motor say let's work together ono nso so nie ye wo edumba nso so ndipa ni no ba bi mo nse dan ni ye no no say he will spring a surprise wakoda ho de na sem ka kire nkrofo so omo so hwe no mto ama no and now the reigning champion man for person omo yi na ase atwede the undisputable Chama Wontumi. He says, I speak English, that brings money. And ya brofwa, ede basa basa eba. And you say, we are saying, say, we look for money for woman. We look for money for household. And we look for money for life. That is Chama Wontumi for you. Mesebe busane, yeah, small polls waha. So we are delegates now, Kotwaba Ashanti region ha. Kawai na abeto amano bibia homa na tu se wo ye delegate ana nka wo koto aba edipa numi hwan na nka abeto aba amano number no ye 0551 931931 0551 931931 hwan na nka wo fi se wo ye MPP ni wa Ashanti region Ebi kura unkuta party card. Nanso so we are sympathetic to the MPP cause. Why now person care to Abamano? Mami kwa homano so. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. How are you? Patrick ni mdodo akuna.
Beba chao Patrick. Go straight to your issue. Me we na care to Abamano ABC. Me mpena me chia hwan. Yenko.
Me dey akma for dey kai. All
right, thank you very much. What's your peka Chama want to me? Hello.
Hello.
About your hand. But on my radio, no come from pa. Why?
Okay. But me my give said yeah. You just said yes, Chama want to me. It's okay. One step down, moving for some.
I don't open no. Odiomi. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my name.
Pacho Henry.
Pacho na watching.
I watch it you.
Okay, beto machema kuka.
Aman kuka. Odino kwa kwapia. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Pacho mi enti
Hello, morning.
Yeah, me too, pa. My radio no come from TV no come from na kasa. Amansan we are seeing it wo. I fan out to abako. Thank you very much. Otoma Chama to me. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Metuama Coca.
Obetuama Coca. So, who conducted yes, you are my electoral commission this morning. Hello, good morning.
Hey, come on back here, my big.
Join you.
But chance me.
That's what to my high.
Me tell my own to me.
Next person. Hello, good morning.
You're from Gabriel.
Gabriel, you tell I no pay.
Yeah, come to my cooker. Cooker.
Hello, good morning. What to my high?
Good morning, Omai.
Good morning. When you?
Me pato assume me and come from my chama to me.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Omai. I do watch it. Morning. Now what is that?
Oh yeah, pa. When you? Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
When you? Come to me. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
When you?
Kunsi.
Why?
Kunsi.
Yeah, Toma Chama won to me.
Because if is my.
Aha. Yeah, quite elections. O my omo campaign we. It would be picture to swa a baby influence. Would the cook a to an answer do me? You'll be a picture free so. Maybe I'm so I'll super sort to mommy. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Come on.
Hello, good morning.
Chama one to me, Chama one. Obi to say a do me. Take it. Okay, Pacho, I'm picking 1-1. Then you double. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Maybe I don't to my line.
Hello, good morning. Oh, my morning.
Maybe I my TV in call for metal and kawaii. Ne kasa efa ayinu mukama. Why ne kasa yi?
Oh, my friend Joe, my bang.
Oh, to my line.
Oh, my Tom, I want to me.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
I saw when you.
The friend and I am a cathedral dance.
I'm here too.
I make me Thomas and my own to me.
Okay. Ma, you call the next person. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho, any penum no hina out to Amano.
Chama Coca.
Chaman Coca. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, oh my.
Pacho, why now to Amano?
Oh my, but Chama Coca.
Okay, Coca. Hello, good morning.
Oh my, Pacho, good morning.
I'm Nene Kasei.
Pacho, your friend, Kofi Joe.
Kofi, you are now to Amano.
Me question kakra. Me Pacho, our down.
Kofi, me Pacho, ya chakwasi muwai. Why now to Amano? Obia betrobusa question, Miss Low. The rules of engagement is why now to Amano?
They told me that Udino. I'm the spelling Dino. I say, I know my.
I'm Mimi Dino.
Udino, I'm the good, you know.
OMANNHENE. OMANNNEMU. Medasi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my.
Acho when you.
But an apple could you chrono me kwa chama unti.
Chama unti me. Hello, good morning.
Sumpana 3.1.
Acho when you.
Acho from Adam Dankwa. Me kwa ma
Adiomi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Tiwona woto abanka hana abeto amano.
Acho me chama unti me.
Chama unti me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Acho dependum no hana woto amano. Thank you very much. Oga Sefri.
Western region.
But this is spoiled ballot. Ashanti region. Rejected ballot. Ashanti region. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
We are delegate.
Marvelous me. Thank
you very much. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Ladies and
gentlemen. Chama won to me. But your number no 0551 931 931. Chama won to me. Chama Coca. Ye radio me. Asaribedi ako edumba ewa. Why now what to amano? Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Tio.
Mr. Sam Papa, I'm Cassandra Santiago. Can I talk about Coca?
Obeto amakoka. Yenkwa homano so hello. Hello.
Hello.
To say.
Weird.
Cho mami ti adope wan out to amano.
But me to Chama unto.
Chama unto me. Hello, good morning.
Unto me.
But your friend say.
Your friend John Kasa free
Gabin. Okay, hello, good morning. Obi to me maybe. Obi baby I mean frame. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Acho me ntio. Thank you, Chama Saribediako. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, me nya babeni.
Mr. Tigas, Tata.
Tata over to my
Chama unto.
Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Acho hanye.
From Uchusribo.
Utio, I want cow to my
Chama unto me.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, mine.
And ya kotwaba dipendum chama wonto me koka asaribediako adiomi edumba wa why na woto amano. Okay, hello, good morning. Me pa cho me tio. Oh, me say ya mentie TV no man volume no confirm. But your ma mentie. Why now to amano? Unto me. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Amahine.
Yes. But your ukase free na why now to amano?
I'm a patrol me kasa free job a frame can to amakuka.
Kobe to amakuka. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Me pacho ma one so kakra hwan na ka say.
Hello.
Yeah, frau say.
Me dey confusion pon.
Ku hwan na woto ama no?
That's how much I want to me.
Okay. Yeah, kwa homa no so the next person. Hello.
Good morning, bye.
Cho hwan ye?
Your friend Bismarck, me kasa free bye.
I don't count to a mano. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay. Hello, good morning. Okay. Young call the next person. Hello, good morning. Okay, Amakuta Chiba Kwama Kuka. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. When you pray free, hey?
Yeah, check.
Hey, why not count to Amano?
Betoma Kuka.
Oh, Betoma Kuka. Okay.
Hello.
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 Good morning.
Good morning. Pray free, Dawu.
Why not to Amano?
Hello.
Why now to Amano?
Hello.
Also, hello, Nibi. Why now to Amano? Coca. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Me ba cho hwan ye?
Me ba cho some obani me tidate.
Ba hwan now to Amano?
Chama unti.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Morning.
Pajoso.
Your friend say.
The friend kwa na ntechi.
Bra free hey.
The friend atoju.
Abram ye tio he na auto akọ.
The two machama unti me.
Okay. Hello. Obeto amakoka. Okay. Obeto amakoka. Wa market amount to me so there no. Okay. Okay, hello, good morning.
Morning.
But your why now Obeto amano?
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pastor, me did Edmond me
Breaking the 8 soon to me and echo.
Thank you. Hello, good morning. Achio. But your mouth radio didn't call from why? Hello. Why ye? Okay. Hello, good morning.
Me ba so na ho ye.
Oh yeah, pa why ye?
Me ba so me ka se pri kuma se bo ho ye.
Ma se bo ho.
Ya na ko de.
Pa na eko. Chama untumi. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Yes, my brother. Why ye?
Me ka se pri kuma me ko ma untumi.
Hello, good morning.
Anke, next say.
Anke, yeah.
Oyibo national ni.
Oyibo ha na ato ama no.
Coca, bibi obeto afa no.
No. What back up na call baby. O dey another one member commissioner abowagu. I be kwa. Check my NT online dey be ba. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, am I?
To about on Facebook. The only thing you do is want to me coca a dio me as I be there near the no swaka. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, mining.
Maybe I saw when ye.
I tell you, kasi just gabbing.
Na to amano.
Chama want to me.
I want to me. But it's all online on Montemasi because obi betime free Western it's in now na oh eti ewie a oni ma de mo be hwa de be ye wie a ho hold on listen ye wie a ye be kan online ye hwe de winning online general but Ashanti region proper eno de ofra in baby a ofra free. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, o mine.
So free
We are free Friday.
Ain't you on a pay to Amahai?
Coca and Echo.
Coca. Okay, hello.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good
morning. Hello.
Hello.
Maybe I saw when you.
David.
King David, oh, to Amahai.
King David, me to my coca, too much about
Pacho, to the we and Yafe now, baby. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I saw when you.
If I talk, could you look at me for myself?
Good to Amahai.
Chama, won't you mean never know?
Oh, they told you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho, when you.
Pacho Louis,
Louis Free.
I just so.
Now, Kwamano.
Me to my coca.
Coca. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. When you.
Best you.
To Amahai. Thank you, Chama Sarbidiakon. Hello, good morning. Thank you, Delegate Ankasa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Yes, my brother. Why are you?
If I your friend Mensa.
Sir, come on.
If I show me them, come to me.
Come to me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Why are you?
If I your friend, you're more.
I'm a good to Amahai. Bidiakon. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. If I show a friend, come and come on, because I fry.
I'm if to Amahai. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omayini.
Pacho, when I to Amano.
Pacho, me to Amachema, won't to me.
Chama, won't to me. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, why now to Amano? Okay, hello, good morning. Hello. Yes, why you? Thank you very much. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Why you?
Good morning.
Morning, why ye? All right. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my.
Pacho, why ye?
But I am Abdullah because I feel Corona.
Sampana 3.1.
Oh, to my Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Pacho, why now to Amano? Okay, Chama, want to me. Hello.
Hello.
Why ye?
Make a fear just so.
Oh, to my
Kuka.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, why ye?
But your friend came to Makasa Brahma. Me Chama won't to me.
Chama won't to me. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Pacho, why ye?
Atani.
Hey.
Just so.
Oh, hi.
Kuka.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yes, ye. Bokrom, what to my Chama to me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Why ye?
Dominio Casafi and Chenias.
No, young cock.
To me.
Morning.
Morning.
Why ye?
Jaya
Oh, to my Good morning.
Call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Also put you on to hold.
Put on hold.
Any brabra how put me on hold. Also GB. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, one.
Pacho, why ye?
Got a different point.
Oh, why now to Amano?
Movement TV.
Basa elections so be annual movement wa twa be yana wo be lose vote wo de David electoral commission we de appeal the electoral commission has rejected but you rejecting vote no me pacho the commissioner doesn't know any movement so it's rejected. The Electoral Commission has rejected your votes. It's Uba. I want to be Coca. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello. Electoral Commission. Hello. Joanna Otuamano.
Hello, Kuka.
Otuama Kuka. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho
Kwame Mikasafi Abutulia.
Kwame Otuama Hai.
Kuka.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Mikasafi Ajisumochama Chama 1.
Chama 1 why? Hello. Pacho rejected. Me say oba wo si Kuka. Brand ni pe bre wo nya kwa be rem abeto aba na say no. Delegate what to aba say no. I want to what to say no. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Chama Kwama no. Chama won to me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Chama ni. Oba pa ya du fie. Why now to amano?
It's one of Capia.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Why ni?
Hello, man.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Morning.
Pacho Doom TV no, Jomo no. Hello. Pacho onye ready yanko. Odi line mu so wato ase no. Hello, good morning. Yes, why ni?
Kajechi boom.
Jo to ama han.
Amai tie mi ba ko.
Oh, to ama han.
No mo tie ma fo kase. Sama untumi asa ombu be sefu.
Morning.
Pacho tini film. One crack. Electoral Commission we there. Hello, good morning.
Necessary.
Adam now swear.
Yo, me tomo uso aduomi, one ye ni krum.
O tomo uso aduomi. Oso na ye ni krum kwan. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Pacho when ye.
Good morning.
One e ka say.
Hello.
O to ama hwan. Hello. Pacho ye nimre o. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Wine.
Beba Choma, on so to my Okay, Kuka. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Openi Ben Amninka say.
Because your friend I can't check him.
Mako to a hana to a mano.
If I told me too much, to me.
Okay. Memoachio.
Hello.
3.1.
Hello.
Pacho Wendy.
You better me free Bushan.
Bushan, oh, to my high. Adiomi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy. We are about closing the polls very soon. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho Wendy.
O my ya send to me kasa fu ebu akwa maku.
Na akwa mano.
Me to ma wunti.
Okay, hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho Wendy. Kwaku su to ama high.
Kuka.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Aha, you see, I've been in line. I'm telling you, you may have Pacho Wendy. Pacho Wendy. For next person,
good morning.
Oh, to ama high.
Life worship.
To ama live worship. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
About your family Bismarck, Mr. Simon Fontaine. That's what my time I cook.
Thank you. Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy. Okay, Abidiak, sorry, Abidiak. Good morning. Morning.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Good morning.
Tuama hi.
Coca.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi.
Coca.
Good morning.
Coca. Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir. Oh, Tuama hi.
Coca.
Okay. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, my dear. Why now, Tuamano? Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
Me tomorrow rejected ballot.
Utriso why? Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy. Tuama hi. To me. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Bebacho Wendy. Why now, Tuamano?
To me.
Hello.
Good morning. Exactly 7:35. We are done. Good morning.
Hello.
Pacho Wendy.
Kwajini fani. Nikase free ajuso.
Tuama hi.
Mutuma untumi.
Okay.
Atarbedi ako.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho hi now, Tuamano.
Mitoma atarbedi ako.
Atarbedi ako. Good morning.
Good morning, Omahini.
Pacho Wendy.
Good morning, Omahini.
Hi now, Tuamano.
Pacho, I'm stronger than Apatai.
Ejected ballot, sorry. Yes, it Bodino. Apartheid be any vote also. Good morning.
Hello.
Pacho Wendy.
Hello, yeah.
Pacho, my TV didn't call from why? On the main office. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
Sadatini.
That's one out to Mano.
Coca.
Yeah, that's it. Otuma to me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Ekomo ya utuma hai.
Utuma Ediomi.
Ediomi. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Wana ka say? Oh, Toma hai. Odine ho. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
About your wine,
But your friend George.
George, oh, Toma hai.
But your tomorrow win to
Sumpana 3.1.
Ya boama ewo online me boa. Eti mayehu online no. Abra the electoral commissioner Nana Kwabra Kese ekeka votes ni nyina bom. Ono ye no kwafo. Wonni obi ahwamo. Owe awawe. Wo di awadi. Ba polls way next week. You better the last one. And Sunday day. Saturday na ba no abaso. Because the Friday kopim Friday no elections.
It's on better on Friday cry.
Friday, Teben Thursday. Anything can change. François Batrasi mamitiawa. Na minim de I don't want any sabo anwa. I don't pay oh ranty. Oh Kafra. Now what to say?
Victory home science.
Victory home science. Bibi aboko there.
Oh my head. The Kramada would do Namuda Edia for Sunny. Just said it now, seeing the Kabiamania.
Okay. Regional organizer of New Patriotic Party, Ashanti Region. Are you Obi contest one?
My Dika, my main far and Shaka here. Emma Open so, Mr. Kupusra, and the Manu. If you are a regional minister, the regional executives, MPs, MMDCs, Samoa Santimantemba. The constituency executive, CEOs, some free has said, as a constituency, I'm free, Madame Patricia Piedin, baby Ubia Michiano, on the MC era Aconia Sajima. Me, I'm a team Francois for me constituency organizers, mine. Organizers, I'm talking about 94 women organizers, 94 constituency organizers, 94 youth organizers, 94 Nasara coordinators, together with the regional Nasara coordinator and the deputy regional Nasara coordinator Wahasin, me regional women organizer Nana Mampoma, baby Ubiano, Bichiano, and the deputy, the regional youth organizer, and the Miami deputy. In fact, when you so fancy or my
you be so 70 hours now. And Jawa Chiano Qua just said, a chain, may say, Obi contested.
Oh, that be my
about to I Quinano. Regional organizership, no, Obiano won't pay.
My hair, and I see it. Hey, and I see it, and I'm delegate some more sentimental.
Ah, Uncle Baby, Ebi Num, and Sia, and Son. Francois,
my
sir. I think this is a vote of confidence.
Oh, yeah.
To everybody say, well, Juma we here in Vienna, I saw many. Because organizer there, and Mabunu do now so.
Yeah, this is the first time.
See that.
This is the first time. At least not.
Almost say I'm in cancer. We are catch.
Oh my! We say first time. Say na me polling station organizer was squad. Those times, no, na me who the ekoso.
Okay.
We free home be constituency organizer in few watching.
Okay.
And also so na about to your tune region. Na me to be.
Unim the ekoso.
Minim the ekoso. All the various years I had to about year regional officers no. Me too be no. Baby anyone regional organizer be a co akensi a.
Ojina se quantum crow
onunkwano
so bia ne nampre
but enyame ene na se my dear esi no ho ahye cry amama hu se wo mo ye no mo ye adwuma no
omo hunu
se ade bia wo ye bia no omadi odemani ere.
Do you know what it also means, say there are people within the regional and common so ebe person obey organizer but I say metimi aye na mom adwuma Francois aye me ne kopre next time am ko tunu kura ma ha party no
I believe the last maybe for front na me was kwa na me ba racing me ba no now there was
money ni pass na prayer
those times yeah, you know the F5
enum
and now there was an acting regional organizer oh yeah in the person of Daniel Ajenim Boati and 4 others a kind of you go pray now maybe no and some bebre and go for a year a kind so a teacher ni or try the was your pomu nemre pa de onya van go for can some bebre now after 4 solid years
omunyina agiatu
ahon Brazil obuo kwan so won ma me no mo somye no ene won ma me no mo esi akan no
omunyina
won for instance the closest person now unyam emmanuel bebre last 4 years no was Oscar Riches
Ghana Bay
eti ye won kofo bebre a na oman support me 4 years ago even me constituency organizers so bebre na ebimudi Ghana Bay but this time round no okọ won bunchen say what am all your consultations no omo ka chere say adwuma Francois ye ne de so okọ eho na emmoa it no pe other position na for one year
a tre
to your consultations bebre to no a share the problem secret ko ba bia any woman constituency executives are call them last 4 years ago no mudi na chini na kwatwa say even some of the national officers etu for say masa adwuma na Francois ye no omodi apɛ before effort ye ne efa eti mi hu ne sɛ enunyam hye mi hu ne sɛ nkranhye mi hu ne sɛ ade a etwa sɛ me koso na me ye ne mo me hu ne se party no ye di dwumadie bi hye won sa etwa se wo di nidie emma woma omo di 2 million yerin
e hye won sa no that's right
because wo sum wo mo anopa awia anwumre
that's right
ahon brasie ne obuo kwan so omo fa phone mo frɛ wa etwa se wo ye de epic se wo mo de omo hia de eto wani mu a etwa se wo tu ho anamo na wo tu ho anamo kra na se anye ye a party ni nim se wo tu ho anamo na anye den anye ye o mai ma me mfa konyan so me regional women organizer in fact wa me pa mai fe unim say me training programs am here me workshops am here various meetings am here mami just a one country obeba by the time ma obeka jack no na waye buffet o enye park na ye na aduane ye na ayi packed lunch ni bi o wa ma ketra aye aduane na wabeye no wabesa ne lie some year training ama women organizers nankasa some year training ama youth organizers some year training ama national coordinators whoever the moment I talk to my regional women organizer
Nana Mampoma the giant
everybody baby ko first can freedom in sometimes come baba here workshop meeting with me organize some country na bisi minister was you nyanto boasie ono be fa kwan bi so akosresre apisika ere abremi abeboa me
okay
it's no mama mo na baso obi obi a minim yese delegates no ebesa
so no yours is going to be by acclamation
I don't know, but I.
My brother. I like a very good programmer. On a Friday. You're surprised I watch you. Oh? You're surprised, no?
I think the last time you told me about it.
Fridays, we have program B for the Muslims.
Yeah.
That was one to me, maybe.
I mean, for when you're so fan chairman, regional chairman. In fact, escape me, daddy, me built Transian on the bomb pizza.
And I said, what original chairman? What channel?
But you are original executives, but my
1 year is watching, 2 years you watch. Oh, Chama, won't you? Chama, to watch.
I'm sure chairman. I'm sure original executives.
Okay, Mammy Cronhot, men called Cham Gaka. Bebacho, a dumb person mutiu. Oh, vie for Nasara. Penny, Ewa Santa region. One eye Nasara, incumbent. Ni pasen I know more pray. Now, I'm sorry, quay. And you are my way. And I'm over Darcy.
Very important.
Important, say over Darcy. Now, you don't take it for granted, say, Obian contesting one in Suntino. More money yet to say, I say, more than my way.
Not at all.
Okay, Mammy Tio. What did you say?
Omahine, Alaji Salem Bamba.
Alaji Salem Bamba. I like that name. No crap. Mamintio.
In the last election, Mamimfa Kwanya and I'm chairman, regional chairman, Chairman Bernard and Chibuisiako, and my colleague regional executives, Nina, Nafi, the regional minister, and a government appointees are more Santimaimoha. My constituency, maybe I'm a Federal Chidumasi constituency, the former municipal chief executive and former member of parliament, Honorable Mohammed Salisu Bamba. Mechiano and any one of my mentors and they all vie for the second vice chairperson position, chairman in Sosaki Abagna, 3-time constituency chairman and all my Ejurasi Chitumase, Mechia Munina and Anopei. In the last election, 2018, maybe year rounds in the whole of Ashanti region, a catch constituency officers, someone here. At the time, very young, even though I'm still very young, with 6 other candidates, including the incumbent, Nano Otiso, and Nano Pemichiano Pa Alaji Mohammed, and there one na beye Agugu Zungu Hene. Nipa 6 na me no more contest here. I was the youngest among them. I mean, Chad, maybe in elections, by close to 200 votes. Now, immediately after me win elections, make a womunina ebumu and one a juma. Me yini paba kokra in free. Abrebiano, mean consultuno, ewa ejuma me yeso. Na, secondly, me constituency Nasara coordinators. At the time, na Metimiaka say most of the constituency Nasara coordinators, and shada and support me. But as it stands now, make of file me nominations. Or more a bomb chidom, a buy. In fact, the 2,000 Ghana cedis I also made a file. I didn't foot it. Constituency Nasara coordinators, and I kick out Monsase.
This time. Omwane Tiama.
And Omwane Tiama. In fact, Womunina di Mechi, Eco file nominations, our original coordinating council.
Tina expected to be in Tiana.
Before the close of nominations, na Metiti said Nipa mi and be episode mobile contest. One of them was from Efijasi Asokore in the previous election or contested. But the feedback I mean said people tell him say Abrantia na wabano ejuma waye no ye besre anka ebeya na botrene samana akwanya na onko for the second time because ejuma waye no sincerely speaking in the region ye hu bi da. And it would surprise you say even though the Nasara is a wing of the party under the organizer, na nipa bebree enhye da ehu adwuma Nasara coordinators na ya until say me buy I roll up a lot of programs na and we didn't also say Nasara coordinators intino ade a ifa zongo honko na there be always on TV, on radio, and any other program. I even say woman organizer I'll be there. The organizer I'll be there. Any event that
be a party
who be ano. The part I was say you play na ya de boano ya beye. Entina enya me wanwa in the last national conference me who me din say make the committee no ho to be part of the national conference with my boss, the regional organizer, the national youth organizer.
Until Okwa Pro, a damn common nominee. Meaning, say, only delegates Nasara din como. And common monu dino, Ashanti region Hano. Are they satisfied with the current executive and now mono tia bimusi bin kone bimra?
To a large extent, I would say there is that level of satisfaction, especially within the Nasara wing of the party.
Okay.
Because strong. And for the first time in this region, and the Nasara wing of the party have organized a campaign lunch at the True Vine Hotel. Na ubiano ebaye. Ye free honor no so no ye the core constituency in most of the constituencies in Ashanti region ye campaign launch of the Nasara wing of the party our mono na koye ejuma and it has never happened before. And secondly, so you see the Nasara wing of the party in the past say ye de nyoma and the logistics are here na the comma the constituency Nasara coordinators no through after the Omo campaign launch say we kakra monfana monkoye ejuma no enya dia in the past year who be. In fact, about 2 years to elections, Mebo, the chief of staff, on my motorbikes about 24, 25. I'm the chairman, the constituency Nasara coordinators, you know, say we chief of staff and the Amaya say,
okay,
young Fankoye Juma within the Zongo community. And for the first time in the history of this party and this region, say they Akadia beat say motorbike said my constituency Nasara coordinator someone Juma. So who are di enimu ama bibi sa timi abamu no automatically na enya me wanwa say not a single Nasara coordinator and a single constituency officer bi ametimi aka say one Alhaji Salim Bamba e wa asema na say ofi say anka obi foforo.
I think it's a thumbs up. It's a thumbs up. Na minim say definitely more qua pro, but most of some didn't come also so support near the. I don't want you to declare your support, but definitely me feel when you want in baby I'm with to my bako. Menkana. I. Me show any man in baby I'm to bako.
To see last 4 years. Oko to about general election. And 20
meaning baby or to koi. Meaning let me hear any in baby or to quay Bamba me when any man in baby or betrako.
Yeah, but you say where
I'm a suit say.
Thank you. Me say I have this principle. So as a politician, and we can say usuru so be declare say as me sin am.
And why now supporting?
All the regional officers now are more contesting.
Chairmanship.
I believe say we should go for chairman too.
Why now supporting?
Mine. Asma.
That's a best. What's the make sure depend anymore?
I would have been
mean to me who say see a man show him. Why now to Abba?
Mine.
If I say see I Paul am ye 5 years or so.
Mine. Mine yes out here.
That funny better yeah.
Obi ane.
But only my dear, oh your original organizer. Election on got on Friday cry. Organization do na cry down so. Et would be ben kasa.
Good.
Indeed.
Why are they? I say.
Right so.
I say we electoral commission you say.
I because as original organizer there. But for Bamba I can understand. Well, maybe I would no. I spare you that. Your last word to delegates. Now, maybe Emma won't call
the Mekacha delegates and say, Medikai, Medomasi. And I say, dear, to be honest. My, but see, can you make a prayer? Sometimes you overdo a crown. Boma, dear, what they call you. Ah, Mufafakan. Person had the mount. Mount Casao. One must say, Francois, ye knew a young grass of a bar. Mine, it's me fuck when you will so the delegates are sick. One, for giving me the opportunity. Seven soon. Two, for appreciating Sir Francois. 1 year.
Awesome. Okay.
Baby, one will be no. But share one more. Yes, I hope a bomb whole buying. Bomb pie a mom. Say, I hope a bomb whole buying so that day now.
You next week Friday.
Now, constituencies are mean young corner. May man be too much of the say will be answered and given to my window.
Oh, catch him so over.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe constituencies are can you now mean young mahono. Next week. Maybe one sana.
Yakotwaba. Bamba.
Omahine, Sapepe na meka. I've in fact, even before I be closing nominations, baby I be could be ni omo can say na wo pedia wa ha. Even when nominations were not closed, o pedia wa ha na wo contest. Me say o me ba bedam wase. Me ko ha no I say Bamba na wo pedia wa ha. Me say na wo contest. Even when nominations and close nominations so, but
people knew say nobody will have
to contest.
Okay.
Enti me gina kwanya so adda o masse kwan sonko so. Na me gidi ye say it gives me new energy. And it's a dedication. And it's a very efficient on my work.
Okay.
Enti eno na ya de me show mobo. Say with the trust our mo de ahyemi mo no. Me show mobo say ade a ye be between 2022 and 2026. Dia o many be so ni ye pa inshallah.
Inshallah. François. Mama nya na ko juma Bamba. Nyame nka mo ho. Okay.
The maintenance am heavy here but oba na wie no.
Now ba abedasi.
Because adwuma no do na no e wo yanim. Ese de atwam no entwam nko. De de anim na.
Okay. Mama kwa homa no so na me ne kwaku na ntwetwe nkomo. Kwaku me wache o. I want to say.
I don't know Patapaya,
nobody I say. Kwaku, we will be our Ben Yera Kennedy, a compre ko Japan pa. I'm up for whom for ning, Ebi musio. Wadi be ra omo na party for na timagina ye. Ebi musi dabi oba. Kwaku anopay, I was Sumpa TV ne Sumpa Radio. Ebese utu anumutuo ma ye ni etie. Era compre ku Canada Japan o jira ana obepre presidential position as you see a bit my friend presidential hopeful ana
yo didi kind of make sure na pay na me sign na we people na na maloni na be more much na sida munin da sila yo if you no so na 2 TV no Monday ye pay mu ene ukuada ye ene so pay mu na chese yewa Kennedy Kwame Akumpeko of Japan, Member of Parliament, Emerson Central Constituency. It's now into him mention. So when you put on the new Patriotic Party, it did be a nomination. Now, one more so I will say a bit about a year. Franka Tufua, Okakutina Party name. Ma Yatuno Swaba, Nawaba President Ama Omeni in the year 2024. And on Ujina to say, a break a crane, what class Yashinum Edination Nemi Atuto Ashe Party Nimu, and Yoma Air Koso a woman again. Again, he's been a member of this party for well over more than 24 years, and a while member of parliament for more than 24 years. Being a member of the party na wasan so ejina party ni ticket so and so akwakoye member of parliament they will dominate that constituency overwhelmingly, including ensuring development for the people and even across the party. Let's just say anyone will pay me these all across. And again, very important also say obetini akoninim say obenya the bigger position to serve the larger people. Mind you, and it shouldn't even take or has not been the position there. Oh, Yamana Posi and I Yamana Posi, as a honorable Kwame Japan, Utuana Monse and I say, why with or without taking position in government and as just a member of parliament, why is who do they agree? And to we and we not to say, the so calling now see the bigger picture now, the mouthpiece, Emma, the voiceless, including Obejina Ediama, woman Sua. Any that's what said. He from and I'm will be fraba about somebody to stand to say that I will be a defense, I'll be the shield, Mobitinai a shoulder to lean on. In the most case, I don't know. Not a question here.
Kwaku enkobase nipa bebre ebe ti asem we abose se omodo omure no omo ahodi nyina ebe boa ye se empanimfo ne na kasenti no watchene ho
Mamina ofide sun kasa sinema womo a ewo asantememu and beyond and TSS so mutiti in this anwa that is not here and it is really not going to work. Maminka said this is a well sort of thought over whether said on why a crowd so repeat and moya and so on your crowd no the JC days I catch said Honorable Kennedy Japan I ready. Full force coming to contest the flag bearership position and then we proceed to contest the 2024 presidential slot. And yet, I agree with you. And yet, fan binti NMA somewhere abeda abontino so.
Nah, Kwaku, a bass same we better abontino. What has been the response? Nipe or party nim one more abontine even from opposition. And somebody every Crawford eba omoti asema to say.
Oh my goodness! I have to say to you there, this is it's long overdue, long overdue. Even way back, and NPP and Kasa as far as the president, His Excellency Abraham Akufo-Addo crime, AD2 and a more ABD president. Not I don't know what it is. Any part one say he has the quality, the credentials, the ability to stand and take the force as far as the political mantle is concerned. But also on preparing on what you show any idea. That talking now is a casting and pipeline now. Now it's also now I should say a very possible say Ubi to take that mantle. Ubika a month for Naka, they do your question and no one can answer. You sit to beseech your heart there. Can I take this mantle? And he says that you're breaking it, but before he did breaking news, on Monday, no one was a news portals degree, as far as our story, newspapers, media publish it, then I've seen now about until they publish it. But on Monday now, you big now, so I firmly say yes. Honorable Kennedy Kwame Akumprekwe Japan finally has decided that he's on the slot and we're breaking the silence. And the question here, it needs part. Benche na Eddie African will say your partner, woman, sorry, we are for Ken Group International, Ken ladies, one, for example, student leadership, one more 2 universities, University of Science and Technology, Legon, and other across, premier universities, women now, so groups now, sorry. Again, everyone said, can there be 4 ones that other announcers of a sort of contest and answers that groups we sorry and that groups me now what did that? So who is there? A nipa as sorry did that abodom pin say
there's a almost train keke.
Exactly. So they've been there waiting for him long a year so Uko Germany, Uko Amsterdam, Uko USA, Uko London, all over the world where Ghanaians in diaspora for me, eku ahudu area.
No, but they trying to all that they were waiting for was just an announcement and a confirmation. If every America say, that good thing, I saw the trader. I'm on woman to say, already said they would ensure that they will back him, support him physically, spiritually, and at all costs. Say, when we do a thing, they have one with me to entities. The ground is swelling already to ensure that.
What do you say to critics? And I say one more say because of his hard hitting nature, his vociferous nature, no, we are going to see a self-styled Donald Trump in Ghana.
No, Professor, you see, I did do as journalist. And again, fundamentally instructive to point out is that we this one can say Yamu Tianwa Ayano, the deep line, a Nikra Yintiminka, the Nikra Yintimi Mayamu, and the territory you are, as I say, Yadamaya Mayadi. After me, no. Now, Ninka will soon find a sister said, Honorable Kwame Japan, A and the Quaffos from Cosa, no, or when announced one. But again and again, and Nipa Diara, yes, or Mama Diamu, oh, Nipa Diana, they want to stand up in their life endeavor. They want to stand up more for the truth rather than to cover up. And again, come to think of it, in the political setup, since the 1992 Constitution began, with the formation of NPP, NDC, and the rest of them, Chairman, who a politician in NDC or MPP in Wangasa or the rest, or Sorijina criticize his own political organization for wrongdoing, and also can say that no, this we must do it this way. Why they do the idea not on Wangasa? How they okay. No, this one. Obey 7 grade years. When you take Kudama, and they are support to partner at all, all levels. If you there, Ebasa, especially Panam.
Oh, dance. Okay. Kwekuanan, Mamina Siano Pay, Sumpa TV, Sumpa Radio, live on Facebook. Say, when you're brand new to Chinkomo, we hope to hear from you soon. Why?
Great. Maybe chat for Ghana for the Bia, Wumiti, Kumasi, Ashanti region, and beyond. May can't wait to said, Honorable Kennedy Kwame Japan, NCC DSA, and that war banner. Okay, opportunity customer for Emma 118 meters. Opportunity as a shoulder, moving to leaning on. Okay. And so, on the last minute, Matthew 20:26. As I said, you see me then aqua near the sumo main. If you cafe, as soon for or sumo, the sumo mayo, they are servants of the state. And no one animal too, and I can get more personal data. Not Ghana for is the differences in what governance. Yet the Omana share technical fencing academicians in such a very long time. I am saying to Ghanaians, let's give one try. Say you may special businessmen for this
Ghanaians. His name is Kweku Anan, and Yenena to train Komono was Sisudia, a duo Kumasia. Oh, Ghana ha nese would what to tea na say what to tea amenam na metete say ho candidate Japan say ho wo ba ne sare na de. Okay, ebi mu di o ma woda quickly na fe memra abedwafo nchen na yem fa ne beto and Beatrice Hammond e won kan and na wa woda Beatrice Hammond me director Aki. Wow, disturbing no munya disturbing no na yanya adwuma no se ne no. Beatrice Hammond of Accra and now your birthday. Ya mautrin put it there, Beatrice. O de Beatrice ne fato. We efia usu arekon. Efia usu arekon and now wa woda. Adwoa se wa arekon so ewo ho. Ono so awoda adwoa se wa reko ono so a picture e wo hodomo kama ena ye wo Beatrice Redu Hammond ono so picture ewo honomo na ono no oya adwuma wo hemfa kwa no oya adwuma okay bitusre du ne bai no afei Lauren Afuakwa or NIB Asokwa branch Lauren Afuakwa ono de sensation bottom the name the hop fine pa Lauren Afuakwa way free Edmond Horse ni colleague new oni nyina na ye adwuma NIB Asokwa na yenchia nana ayedua se chidom ijata ye mautrin kwa ye chiawa anopei also Oshe Otie Ebenezer Yawa J of EcoBank Kenya Ase branch Ebenezer Yawa J EcoBank
EcoBank
and then Ayawa Woda okay Sandra Boating we teach our Yonsu project model school Jamase Ketre Obi so mautrin Sandra Boating Melody Nana ya brefi Saki oh papa where Sandra okay so young come Melody ho some part accountant neba Melody Nana ya brefi Saki
okay
and then you are happy birthday to you Melody as you celebrate your day your father Saki happy birthday to Matt P the wife of Balfour Kwekua Martin the fourth Jachin Hine onye mfie dunum ma P epacho you know from Nana Pia on the picture for next picture no to her the next picture no and so mami dodo na o swam here dodo na friend officer
on friend say
officer
oh
na woda atom dem mam say friend officer
any officer officer chiremu officer na baby a hunya fie no chiremu miehu
na ninia a medical doctor
okay
the friend Dr. Jefta and Dr. Jefta and so Edina Woda
wow
King David okay never if you had
wow
and you know that is just about it okay yeah polls electoral commissioner
exactly
wada roma
absolutely
yeah polls ni wie no emra so
ayehu
say omema yehunu polls na yeah and people are waiting
yes
join us on Facebook that is Sumpa 93.1 and then on YouTube Sumpa TV subscribe and be part of it and sumpaonline.com that is live radio electoral commissioner
with the opportunity given to me by Omahine to declare the results.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Say na ekoye. Enipa maku enum ene gina ye. De odi kan adum baawua wa nya bi onya hwe. Ebubo fi to.
Adum baawua nya bi.
Adum baawua enya bi onya hwe. Na aduomi enya 7 aduomi enya 7
aduomi nya say
7 chairman Asaribedi Akon enya 5 enum wode no kwaku apia enya mako aduasa 30
votes
30 ena chairman untumi enya mako aduonum 954
Chairman Wuntumi nya 54.
I take it again. Chairman Wuntumi enya 54. Koka enya 30. Asaribedi Akon enya 5. Aduomi nya 7. Ana Adumbawa enya 0.
Nipa say na to aba no.
Nipa eto aba no say wo keka bomwa bra keka bomwa
I think I have 96
per ballot room.
Sport ballot here 4.
Sport ballot here 4.
Can you 100 na to aba no?
Yes.
And na chama Wuntumi nya 54.
Koka 30.
Okay. Online no. Online so Wuntumi nya 28.
Yes.
Okay.
Koka nya 13.
Okay.
Asaribedi Akon nya bi. Adiomi nya 2.
Okay.
ana dumba wan so anya bi dumba wa adwuma yo on so anya bi ya wada
okay
ya be final poll
okay for the next day
for the next election on Friday no
yes
okay eti
sumpa benefsin
one me
anyway it is sumpa benefsin
what you need so ma ohini ni ntase ma 1 minute ken
and there small more ohini ni ntase no one sia ma mi nim ne no be ofia brother
hey and then any brabre won't kura no afa no say twen wo Diana ofia
ahye ni munyam
wahye wani munyam ampa
tofo e wo Ghana ha ye ma me dynamic nyese bia wo ti hentia wa dance ama ye hunu se wo ye nyame nipa wo tu nyame ho twom se wo dwanyom ne de wo beto nanso ya na ye san hwade bi etra nyom to no na ye me dress wo ye masoba Church of Pentecost ye ntetse ye no ewoni mu
Pentecost girl
Pentecost what when you see fans so
Pentecost kwabra adano wasma ka is baba me apostles I friend me say the catch kwabra ka se yesre no
wo so me sre wo so me sre wo fans bi wa anya wo fans Pentecost for mo see fans mu afi
Sunday school tete ya ne de wo be da na de ama ye hu se wo free baby na wa be
Pentecost
Sunday school
na makotie nyame na mpa na maya bofrapa na metio nyame asem na makoso rahime
bofrapa na metio nyame asem na makoso
ahimem
ye de no kwakwa ye ho ye fe
na to nyom ba ko mi ntie
onkoso a
no ohini ni nim nyum to
oh my nyom ba ko
ye de aseda nyina ma wo Israel na safo Awurade efise Uye
Fabra from na minti ba ke Fabra from na membra ke
uye na na do yesu oda Raji ebetumi asoli nyame mo so sani abefe
oh hirini
I like
it baby I like that
it's me chama dai na owi anaja impartation no ayedwuma you know what it is
and also on was special ibi na minim say ye be koso a you need to say a special prayer for her you know remember abaye na kwabra baby I do them say be shelf ye yin kaka
yes
ne ye
oh ni pese mi ti obi adwene yen kom kakra na ye man be ye man ho be 13 minutes 8:30 pepe ne Diana take you off asem ne say office romance
say me wadwumem
eya na enye
yo woman ye
abacho ye mfrel
me de me ka say enye na nya enye ne say adwuma no a ni wura no wono na wone me betwempena na say colleague mienu ya
aye colleague adwuma mu no colleagues
ya ye twempena enka oman kanya bone se bia menam na me ni be ma bi ni abehia wadwuma mu na ya do ye ho se bia betu anamon na ye hwe adwuma ni production kura no oman he mo asonti a o eti asem na me kan na fe be wi ase no me de no hunte na ya abo amade na wo beto shit bombo no na ho na wo beti enti no adwuma ni production kura be yi ana say ye wo adwuma ba akom na ye twempena bi kura ade bi besi ofie na bufu aba me ne me mpra ne wadwuma me yakọ ofie ye de abadwuma adwuma ne ye no kura no enkoye afei ye betimu apokura ne aba be wia adwuma wura no kura ama adwuma ni sikasem so ayeden asai
so betima kabo ma
wia no ama adwuma ni sikasem kura so ayeden asai Ghana fo mpena twen wo mo twe ne sawade wo ba odini boko ba kwa bese e cross bar so ni na ti ba kwa ne to asese abese cross bar so ti akwa sawade wo no twe mpena enso
wo hu ana afi o te dem ho
ti se mo mienu ni nyina bibisi na adwuma ni guni e pamo a ehe na mbedidi eno so ba dwene ho obi wo kro na obi atwe mpena na e babam eti responsibility ankasa wo mpena twen ti se mo nyina mo twe mpena e wa adwuma ba akom a mo ya mo twe mo mpena no se adwuma no gu a mu be de adidi eti media eye no enye se e wa adwuma ba akom ne e be twe mpena na de ehu pa ne se na o se enkompo se adwuma wura no abiri bi e na be hia no na obi woni ho afa obuo kura so de man ho fa ma no cause ono wakoda na adwuma na e basa tie no de o man wu sa me a adwuma mu pra twen de enyi
Kwabra
o man ne quick one enye the best
enye
the best e was a be ma bia na o ba bia wo ye se me hia wo ba no wa adwuma na me gidi se me pena the best is me resign from adwuma no
esa wo pena out
me pena ko me gidi se me pes of maame na ma hu se of maame be boa me adwuma no mu a the best thing na me ya na say me resign some minutes of maame be twem pena with the same umbrella
emwa
me kra ma de mpesa me ye mentimi nye me delivery kra be ye po
esa wo ho no ma
say wo ho a mentumi ne akosua so mu anye free mentumi ne kuku anye free ebi gu akire we o gina won ya battle o ma umora what I say o ma adwuma ne ye for the man enti minutes of maame twem pena no sa opportunities nyina no so mentumi nya biem what I say ebi mma biem na ebe limit me wo niam bi ho nti the best thing is say me shares of maame wo adwuma mu na me giri say me pes of maame de a me resign simple enye sa me de a me me a me nya adwuma no bo so na me jacket ya no di emfa so bia ni so adwuma no me ntimi nya
na say productivity kra no
poor be kɔ for me low kra me delivery kra wo say me kasa kwamna kasa ne de one pa bibia ye fine de mo say bibi ha me because me who's of my pay me ntimi me emfa wo say me ne da
especially kra bia ntokwa ba mo ntem
bi kra wo dressing bi kra ne ade no mo say emwa kra na obi o tenche bia nso hu say bibi koso o montema respect kra de mo adwuma mfa ma mbiem
so
because I respect all mine now excuse me to say all mine ne akoso atwem pra adwuma I will never respect you again nti say wo no obi twem pra adwuma de open na ma ba kon resign the best
yaw Akwata
that's say
akwata obenya se wo twempra wo adwuma mu obenya se wo no ge wo adwuma mu obenya se wo no wo yere ye adwuma baako
wanka yere sim prime chi
obenya se wo no ge eye adwuma
ge
eye adwuma baako
eye ge
abebe wi ase ye frɛ wo se yere no ba cha stamina I wo na ye peku ne be ka se na me ye ku adwuma mu a fanko ho
be ba cha eye
on say sister Diana ho
hello ayiri nim eye ge
me bo akwa bana obedane ti sesia
ye mane na ne eye ge be ba cha ba mi tiu
akunta ubenya se no girlfriend eye adwuma baako akunta the mere fact that oge ewo adwuma mu no eye motivation na akunta ban say be so ya homachi de bia be se e di ntia se me bam so girls yi to na me ye o matu ni ade ene me motivation for the day de bia o akunta no mbasa ya me ge ene ka meda adwuma mu ha
eno me motima ya adwuma
she oge ewo oni oge ye adwuma baako eye motivation for the job, motivation for the workers. Ebeya eka CEO of this company won fa guess mrani no mo ntwempna no won fa toto productivity emra guess ne ba no mo twempra
enem no mo ma no
na no mo ma ye no won fa toto ho akuta she
eja emerald man hontolo mami tio
akuta o girlfriend wo adwuma me motivation.
Apart from that,
o girlfriend wo adwuma mu no emma distractions emma less distractions.
How?
O say how? O girl wo adwuma mu a one o ye adwuma no a esan say ye twi wani mu a e be affecting ntino o make sure so be wo adwuma ye
o ye discipline
and akunta eboa ma productivity kosoro o girl
we mu see productivity
kosoro
e de ne kosoro
me girl wo adwuma mu ntime pon kra me overtime so no nyam point me da so tim
na atwen
na me twen se e be kofi o de asem na aka no productivity kosoro se me get wo adwuma ma se ya me pon kra me da so sia me twen se wono so be pon me ya kofi ana so ono so pon ya na me nyam pon ya wo da so tim you overtime the asem na aka restaurant o ha se yo kwa kan kwa she I would do the no. Less distractions from and a mutual understanding. Mutual understanding ba akunta se me ge ni wa ana de bi on be kasi gay me ge ni of mamia me ge ni of mamia so hu mutual understanding no ho se bia production ye koso yi e bia ubo wani a minim ye wo pa kire upegya won sa brutal bright enim call a wo pese wo ye ma wo o da no hu se ya Rocky DJ enim nyum kra wo pese opia de tu ma wo enti the understanding eba boma mutual understanding kosro pa e boma productivity kosro ana akunta unse so wo adwuma Now you're so much in love. I say, uno be chim pranam pracheni ko yesu so a ye good worker pa.
Sir.
Eh. Na ko down here. Unzo ye good worker.
Na hwan am ne chempra.
Oh, there be say wo aware ye koyi. Eti.
Enti be say ye nka aware.
Eti akwata say pracheni list to aware.
Bo ma best start asem no jama no asem.
Bipolar. Baba wan fanedro. Baba betina na he. Kuku amu fensuo mra. Amodro. Na me no, me de ensu medura kamienu me ma ba. Me ina ya le ba pole.
All right. Eba chop. Wanu sina me activate lights.
Yeah. Then we are about to conclude. What you know? I say me can no.
All right. Let me activate the lights for 5 minutes now. It depends. I don't know. Obi
bia adwuma kra no a one person yere kwa ba yes adwuma na.
Eh, anti Dina wo fia nkrofo bu sasa da be na wo be fia hwe wo fia.
Ma nye better
Let me activate the lines for 5 minutes. Exactly 8:30 we take off with the interview. Diana Entry Hamilton is also a brand ambassador for property products. And ye didn't come out, you did property products, no Tony Sacco. No, yeah, money meka property. People really want to know Diana so well. I have one question. Emojo mebusa no.
Mebusa na sorry bani anti Diana Odagenam. Your friend no hima sapon. And
omo show. Dagenam no ye himfa.
London.
This is why. Or what's that London down?
Bra.
Cherry baby announce
it. Say see ah de becho. Ya ka se button na mabako ka Tottenham.
No mo say me buy enje o.
Me so me kan.
O ma kan say.
Okay. Let me pick the calls. 0551 931 931. 0551. Oba no apka wo so ache wadwen. Who believe we say office romance should be allowed? Ubu or see hono ko share the door phone na ko sisi ni kwai. Obi so say adwuma. E kwa homa no so. Hello, good morning.
Hello, my Pastor, good morning.
Me ba cho mi tie utiawa.
Mo medina John Boy kuna president. The American say emwa kola adwuma mu die. Wo adwuma na pese adwuma no koso na adwuma wura. Adwuma koso na yebo ma ba so am plantain die yen so emwa.
Thank you very much. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my name.
Acho mi tie.
Come on, ya me do address.
Come on, ya mi tie o.
O my name Eboa
See Eboa papa. Hello, good morning.
Hello,
yes sir.
Boom.
My tie.
Omayene, empacho wetmum pa de. Egu adwuma na emwa.
Emprachi gu adwuma wa adwuma. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Acho hwendie.
Kumsinie.
See my tie.
Antache enye so ne oba o ne twentram no wo adwuma ba ku enye.
Okay, enye. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omayene.
Pacho hwendie.
Me pacho me din Steven me ka straight Martin Kokwa.
Steve mami tie.
Omayene asadi ndi enye kra. Je wo adwuma.
Thank you. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hwendie.
Richard ni.
Richard, mami tie. Eya na enye. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, my dear.
I'm Pacha Mediesta, me ka se Fred Ankwari.
Tio.
I'm Pacha Nsachu ejamu de enye because even because all your manager na ne oba ne ko chimp na ombu.
Ombu bio. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning, Pacha, me too.
Yo, Omayene, I'm here for I'm actually was going to
Yakra. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Hello, morning.
Morning, sir.
Baba ko yes, Omayene.
Okopa, what's way?
Okopa. Omayene, me timi de eye pa eboa pa.
Eye pa eboa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho me se fama ya mo akon se free at my abi.
Amakwa ya na enye.
Me pacho enye kra me me ga me yiwe.
Hello, good morning. Hey.
Good morning, my name.
Lower the volume of your set. Hello.
Hello, my name. Am I two phone because I feel from Corner Estate?
I joke crow ya bo two for anwa to bo. You careful, pa.
But yeah, I mean,
oh, twako hen.
Oh, Vinia, and yet, what I say, because Emma respecting the merge.
Emma respecting merge. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Acho hwanye.
Friend Michael Twisiwo. Kasa flu kwaso de biako.
O kwaso de biako for some ho ye de.
Na me adu obi.
Ma ente wa no pay.
No de nya kula fi se adwuma. Enti se me na wo tene se mitime walowa.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba chawo na utwa to e ya na nye.
Oh, pa.
Okay. My phone see ha no mo. Kwabena ko si say.
Bo amanya 3.
Mo akunta na je se me defense.
Na je se ware.
All right, Baba Farmer see ha.
Enya good practice.
Na me dale me wa ba see ha. Senior me kan no. Diana Entry Hamilton is in the house.
Mrs. One.
Mrs.
One.
Ekume. Okay. Na to train komo. Ebebre. Sazona young lady. O share first advert na. One in a year. And then the chicks in my do. Emerald so hanamo. Ye be din komo pa. Me dane me hwaba. Let's enjoy this piece. The way I Adwane beat no. Wow. As a sound hey. Number sorry now kick out.
If it's a walk, he can't walk one. A time for a real say. So walk, he can't walk one. Konya Nara Papai. Hey, so walk, he can't walk one. A time for a real say. So walk, he can't walk one. One in a John Nick and I won't now. My century is some Bible. If it's a walk, kick out one.
Here this morning. There is a special unction in the house. So who has a seer? Who was as I was CB and in the that is the presence of the Holy Spirit. If you are not tuned, you will not understand. And you're not in the shame, you feel. As I was saying, be at you because you were a yum near one yum near what the auto yum no so empire ne to me a day a time yum nechi. Shall office and go for yum if you might try yum west no crabby cried the chain the year twee. But the power behind the song. Diana Kwaba.
Yeah,
now bomb to say
Yamiadum, but you swear.
Bibia boko
Yamiadum bibia
nobody has to say or the mo free crab do na menia King David so yamana kwaba na nyani pa nyina e na no musan a wa brabo no tumpon and the king yedawase na koswa ne kura no se ne we kura no abeduro no because why am na efe na se ne we sia ma no enso so anante anyum tuo mu na ba bia wakoduro no ye danyame ase and the other can say nyame nhra so that o Sunday school pa ho
bacho pa
da bia me ka say we me so ware a oba na obeso ware ye Christo ne abusia so o Sunday school me ka ya na bi mu ntimase hwe oba o Sunday school nyame sro woni mo o se kira bofra ne kwan ya dai fasina onyina o mfiri ho o yire bufu say dem kra to what level okay Sunday school ya no what dey achew we bem oba na ware a me se pe bem o Sunday school nyame sro woni mu e den so obetre ne sabo aso Dan.
Yes sir.
Abrabono, how has it been? A bit more on woman named Diana Hamilton. Yes, Diana Hamilton, your nurse. Yes, your boy, your nurse. Oh, your nurse.
Pacho me a nurse.
Nurse, the Ahibia.
Me pacho me a general nurse. Me general practice.
General practice
nurse.
Oh, London.
Pacho why?
To call London now, quite Juma.
Pacho why?
And your cash woman.
He must see my obedient me ha when they
or the Saba come out.
Oh, not the back.
Not the back.
More crowd than the man.
Saying I will see handle fame. Say across the globe. Diana Hamilton. You are on the page. Obianu. Nigeria, West Africa, across Abrochire. ye show ye hu ye show anasa wo call occasion bia Diana Hamilton say na wo see handle no.
It will be interesting say be busa omomoya around me because me ankasa de me nim say me famous and you one
wo nim
Debbie
then na wo nim nti da bia artist of the year. It was so difficult to break that jinx. Joe Metal started. Now you feel say we. Then Ghana nyum to phone nyina. Who now we artist of the year. Famous with them behind you now.
Oh, okay. And once I gave you a was say tomorrow amunumwa and I hits you. But if it's come to you gradually, organically, it's taking years. Akola won't to sikem. Any akola obrenya ye ene ye wan ana akola odakona yapa weni loto bi da cash bi buy. There were 3 different categories in Akasia.
Who the any idea?
Me no nyame ba e ama kakra na.
What do I for process
ni mu any abedu ntine you don't even see mra start ye ne mra
baby abedu no. Tun fan hwa
Debbie eyadum.
What's say eyadum?
Eyadum. Omahine eyadum because
describe adum as say.
You made a statement. Me tunyu here in our can say there could be a song but our lyrics no might be better than what you have, what we put out. There could be somebody with a better voice than we have. There could be somebody who is hardworking than I am. People will say, I'm hardworking, I'm putting in my best. But you can put in your best, but it's a grace of God, no? It's called the unmerited favor. Adianka ensesewunya.
Oh,
emfatao. Na nyame ebu bi na odi amao. Sa adom no ena meka eno ena wo de ka hard work edumaden diligence, consistency. Oye adwuma oye no more. Ompaba na da ne da guso a wo ye no. Na o dan nyame ginidi no. Na afi wo de sa adom na beka ho. Na afi agensem. Enubia.
Na agensem.
On your grace, Adum, Watum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Watum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Watum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Watum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo, Watum. Hey, Adum, Tina, Metiasi. Hey, Wadum, Tina, Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace.
Oh, come on here, Debbie. Swag, no,
and they had the kind of saying.
Adum. What song? And the album comes with a feel. Oh, say, you can't do. You think you baby adum. But if you hold my to and tutors you seriously also swag because I say you're dancing your flair and it do has it style you has it but it is you and just now yeah a kick I want you know
and any instrumentation you put in I know lyrics
that style said you're mixing my end or if you back over hard because a Hong Kong was my
name is Sister Kitwa.
What? Oh no, Sister Kitwa. Then a man we buy because this song. Oh my goodness.
I know. My Sister Kitwa, Mechiba Mienu, and me worry say about 4 years later, and so no so worry, and no worry, you know. Onyinsa wasn't a problem for her, but Onyinsa anase, and owo mema mienu. But ono nkola bremu nyina na ope baba. Ope so onim se owo baba onim din ode be ma no. Na owo na mema na eba na ebi so say. Ti Onyinsa ba ko okohwe na ye oba na ni age. Na ni age but san say ya na o miscarrying ti. No person be catch obi an to twen ya o hit 20 weeks. And I started to catch Kachenko na ne water break here at 20 weeks. When you say 20 weeks to the akolano, enye. See, of course, the doctors say, oh, enye ntino. What are they breaking the enye? Adiana senti ema wedrona emesne. No so daddy onye no so enye ntino. Oh, ida so me man drew ama abesne no wetumi akofie ntem. Ana oda ho a be 3 days time. Eba abesne. These were the doctor's words. We either end it or we play the weight game. And also, they didn't even have to think about it. We share the uncle say we play the weight game. No more bonfire. The pregnancy lasted extra 8 weeks.
I'm on a way.
I'm a walk on fair. Now, all talk while I need to share your work on I tell myself I don't look like what I have been through.
Ooh. So that inspired the song.
Yeah.
The Oka story in the mouse who Troy.
It's on the car. I don't look like what I have been through. Sir.
Whoa.
Aye.
How much are you into the word? Because when you ma to know. And some more do not so deep. Are you somebody who say brace?
Oh yeah. Near Sunday school near Colony one. Na nyame asem nso no onu Yesu na nkasa wan kwati na asem no anye bia oye no no oya asem na nkasa ankwati ne ho ankwati na asem anya na wa wo gina di no wo ye den kwati na asem ena eya meka se nyame asem ewi ase Bible say bibia betwem but na asem de entwem it's for a song to stand the test of time for a song to stay long relevant strong effective sene ete sene ebeko na afebo peja ebeka se nwum we die no e wo se nwum no ne fapem e wo nyame asem so enu nti na we can say Psalm 23 a chain will be our asasi so at this particular point in time but the potency of Psalm 23 keeps getting stronger nti se obia fa Yehowa na mehwefo hwiri hia me na otonwum efa ho with understanding man 100 years the song will still be great because nyame asem.
O program be o can be. It really blew my mind. Say now kasache apostle Opokunyina. Now say papa she onyankopon na obo wiase ba no ma na onimsa no ma besi
babejina electric pole wire so
into or insulate
the feet
of the bed onim say mre bi be ba ye be wire na wire no so anoma ne ba be siso onipa ben wire kra otimi wu ye wo electricity for omofro a omukọ hye wo soro ba nyame nim say wire be ba wiase na wo to nyansa bo kwa nyame. I was just sitting there watching. I mean, this is not ordinary. To say that yes, you can say hunam ni moja and akasacho. Do you get visions? Do you get revelations from God? Unya bibi say and so adi hu ana bibi sa.
There's nyame ni deal differently. I could dream of something. Me you be me enyum se me sonyum ho daye and I met so daye na obi to nyum ache me so na me refi. But God can give me a word in sleep. And I usually onam obi so na waka sembi. Na machi. Sa analogy way it was my mother.
Oh mami.
To say I make say mami kan sembi. O say emra ye bo bird. Emra nyankopon obo bird no na electricity mai enye electric poles but nyame nyansemu no ne fe no nyansa boakwa in his wisdom he knew say emre be ba ewia will not be enough ebe hia se ebe so kanea ebe so nyinem kanea na aboa no ma be kwa akogina so nti no prepare no ready for it one Bible say one wode won ho to awurade so no ade nyina di boa won na wie won yie enti ne wo fam now no two no asa I read we dey bro me so but o say o ma ne bro yen so ema yen so my god enti no is so that in the end no you will look back and say it was worth every weight o ma hene me nyame anantie hu say ade bia me komo bia no eda ne mani da kono maka say ade we sen kama amfa ha
my God.
Media, I can give you a zillion reasons. I can say, Nyame, or my brother, when I said table of chess. Tunisia, even damn it. So, miato, I know we are miato. Miato, near you say, Nelsa, but none your tone, no, he'll say. The master chess player. Or no name, or started so. Tobacco, when you be able to
can na
onim. Ebe no, not every valley you went through, every fire you passed through, so that Nyambema me kwana me your mind hene atena ha aka. And no sunti, and my sister, Ebiana warrior, sir, send ye by obia, all femu noun, obenya so dear case, Senyamia yama we ya, obeyama menso.
It is the word of God. Wasem. Beautiful piece of song. And you will swag. Hey!
No long thing, oh Lord, I need your help. And no one
now the profunichinos are blended. Oh,
Lord, I need your help. And no one else.
Just one word is all.
Oh, okay.
Just one word is all I need. Your word is a yes and amen. Your words are true, you never lie. Whatever you say shall come to pass. Every other voice, it's an opinion. Every other voice, it's an opinion.
Then it means maybe you will go into ministry in the future.
I'm a Pentecost and I'm refuge.
That's a Pentecost as of deal. A man who this of
Pentecost, dear.
I
remember this of.
But yeah, it turns out from our minister churches.
Oh, why?
Because the way I will see now we hear illustrations and we hear exposé no. Metiana am say as a meti. Congregation muna. So for kasa me.
Oh, okay. Me invite Mama Kotonyum. Once in a while, Mama Kasa.
Me pacho, King David. My man in Kasamo. Mr. Opa, because the way Nyame aye Diana no say congregation, especially women conferences or kasa. it will make so much impact. The music is there, but the word is in her. I've just picked them. What it means is there is more to you than meets the eye and what we are hearing. So you are operating here under capacity. Mr. Opa, going forward, Fanu Rem. Yes, sorry, but ministry ankasa. Fanu Rem. Diana.
Yes, sir.
You share a new me call pager. People share a lot of testimony. Now me go through way. Diana, Obetimaka say a renowned, and I say it blows your mind. Diana, testimonies back nubi. Our mufre okache you were surprised that music can do such a thing.
Oh, and the doss, but I'll give you one very recent one. On say I can't, up to tree you might not reach certain people, but then you're crying. You can say you may send your better South African song. I won't say, but I minister to you. Yeah, I'm making a say, minister to be not because of tears, but the home idiot. Inti me London singers na baako but it's your on it warrior wo 20 minutes to nyom be ba midwife na me ofie no frɛ me no se Diana ene me kɔ adwuma my late na me jam me phone yes anka me video ade bia send dia bro na me se aden no se okɔ o midwife nti okɔ ye no mother or awaka na o hwɛ no broni fita nti otene ho a ohwe no say midwife there oba no ne ho mie enough there's nothing much I which me aye but otene ho so otene ho a ohwe no na oko through labor and a doctor buy abeka che ne say labor na oko through no in progress enti no o man 20 minutes say obana in progress ya na say ne ho mie so betumi achima kola na o de ne be ko theater na wakotwa no enti doctor ne be kan sa kire broni no a okoye no bible say o dane ne ho aya de o say ato anso te say menyumo bo ta 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 na ta na na sanchani nyankopon enti one of that we London hospital asem na making broni fita na ote ne ho for that broni ni kuta phone a o bon sanchani I say how do you know that song? I say I know Diana Hamilton very well. I know all her songs. I was, why are you playing this particular? I was, I know which one to play and whatever situation I'm in. No, so she's my sister. Also, don't say that. You Africans, everybody is your sister.
We are free men.
No, so she's my sister. I said, it's unfortunate my phone is not here. I would have showed you pictures of myself and her. And I say and say, why no a friend of mine, brony, and English brony as I'm making. I say, I don't understand the songs, but I feel the songs. I say, I know Osoro Kasa, I know this, I know that. And Brago Soni ni gusto Kasa. Doctor, I say, I want to push. I say, no, you can't push. Let's call the doctor. I call the doctor about it and say she's ready to push. Less than 20 minutes.
No,
wow.
My God.
And Brago from your Diana, you don't know where people say it or say I read it. And sometimes it look fictional. And I'm me experience
a prophet is not honored in his own home. Yeah. Your own kasach nipa. Me share titifui to say Esther Nyamiche. O share Mary Gansamu. And no bo munyuma ase banra. Onyum how much prayer goes into it?
A lot. Me who say nyame nka ho aya masa me ka kire nyame ne say ebinum wo other sources I be on bekwa and drive it through Accra na me who say obi odi manim ne car wa kire what means you can jump on my Instagram and you see the video just before me do there me ne odi ne to so no if I corner throw it say nipa nsuro nyame agikosua
nipa nsuro nyame
agikosua no de snap esi ho And I you know, it was funny. I videoed it.
Now we say cry bet me the atonyo.
I videoed it and I put it out. But me when I say ready. Maybe I know video second option as Kosia. Mini second option.
You are my option.
You are my option, my only option, the option. Because I have options. Yeah. This you are my only option. Into I am my only source. Into no nyam ne bon am de mano. Any brain so ba ne ho na me ko. Into who am I without him?
Wow. Family life it is a.
Yeah, me adum. Family life and so koso.
You need a man like your husband to be there for you.
Everyone does.
Because we're busy. Up and down.
Yeah.
Onen kwala say.
Pacho we mean.
Ono wan take charge.
Pacho ne take charge. Pacho wan.
You maybe omuna kakra de. Asa wa chedodo.
Debi. On the omuna. Me na sometimes me feel say is it me cry fi ha me den.
Aso ye bibia ntiasa omo nse da hia wo sa.
Me say ade a me kru nti me nyane so we bo ba ni ti eno pe. Everything.
God really gave you a husband.
He did.
Who can anyone so?
Oh. Obeka 2 years actually yeah.
Obeka there actually.
Obeka just say I didn't me money train for 2 years. We prayed.
No, it was worth the wait.
It was worth the wait. It was.
Because people na fame kakraba nanka assistant towards the husband near the once the san kakra.
But you know busara mama say.
Oh, so the wow was the sound obo.
Son na make catch we say.
Kin on the san kakra. Kiti gra. A boni need the fatter say also the man. Oh, now Mr. Omika, he has a very good family pictures. Move back a to Suma. I want for who the man behind. You see, behind every successful
man, there's a woman. This is the other way
around. This time around, Mama, you see my fans kakra. Behind every successful woman, there is a man.
He's a rare gem.
I love the way you're describing him. A real gem.
Yeah, nah, you don't get his kind. And I say a man find your yardstick because it's not common.
That's right.
Ubonya empire na omaubia no adanasi and be content with what you have. And men should be there because so the media any yardstick.
We are no mistake. Obiane sanye ositi.
He's rare.
What the baby brought me? Okay, yeah, I know I'm.
Oh, you could have played it though,
but now me person me the way no because they were there slow no.
When you come home,
when you come home,
I didn't know. Oh, you can play. Of course, this was on the first album.
That was on the first album,
It was on
this was the latest one.
I didn't see. I was going to
This is the latest one.
Yeah.
That was the few back, no? I remember. All right. I remember small girl, you're to me, Superstar, Superstar. On it, my bed, Diana Helmut. Wow, I share Tony Sack. That's how I can take the ground. Nobody tell you to come up. Emerald, what to say? They tell Casa. Oh, yeah, pa. It is a sea pie. Utra, adverts, Nady can be no. Ukusku, I didn't know catch you.
No, mo catch him say, una. We have it na.
No, I can say.
No, I can say Annie.
No, I can say Annie. And he now so what more you superstar. The school na omo nye wa down for you be able so far down for. Ana.
Pashuminim.
Unim. Kasacha Mike ne mami.
Pashuminim.
Now kwa sorry so eh. Asori omu hu. Te bi kai. Anyway, yeah, shout out Diane.
Yes, sir.
What's the one I was showing you inspired by who and some of people can the words. Oh, try out, bre, and it comes natural.
Yeah. I think say me overly critical.
Okay, say overly critical. What you say?
Just say. Me ankasa meto to me ho enti ade no me throw line bia
na yes ultimate throw twam sa.
Oh, of course.
There's a notebook no easy.
Funny enough, me no me fa pen into form.
You type.
I sing.
Oh.
Enti ofa me phone na wa ha me.
I'll record it.
I record.
Now what now I record it until you are rest assured. Now we are King David one year. Hey, proofreading.
Jay. Oh, Adam. So, Mr. Stamin not to America. Into you have been my doctor on that sick bed. By your stripes, I am healed. I am free. America for no from a cataphone. On kind of second bed. It was you. My doctor on that second bed. He said, "Me can't cry for ya, King David, Uncle Charles, my husband." Almost said that me buakra. My call to area, and I make call back. Oh yes, I could be so kewa. Me kokoto just one word. Shame.
One word.
Me ko can assemble. I could penny two car corner Uncle Charles Frey. But auntie. Right. Yeah.
But it means that it's diligence and they kind of say up to scratch.
Oh yes.
One person because there are critics.
Oh yeah.
And you no crowd of beer. So depends on ya me. That is it. Very funny. But a small kind of so it will move. And now we catch up with some of the bedroom wasn't patcho. But what do you jow and
I never tell
okay.
Oh yeah. I mean talking about lyrics near there and there's a song we are doing and you be a yeah. And Charles Frame. And see me be home. So dear we no the plural you say and the Bible kind of say just say a whole discussion. We had about 30 minutes discussion just to be sure so Samna Makano a writer na grammatically biblically a writer na you know these things happen.
Okay. That's a new one, eh? For 2022.
Part of 2022.
2022, yeah, but it is.
Hey, there is a name, there is a name.
Yes. Who's Johnny? This is the man behind, the manager. And
I know a name, I know a name.
Why are you?
That changes lives.
I am
the wind obey and demons flee. When that name is lifted high, say a bono chidi moa and sexually bedi and a chi yesuti naya bosso. We have come in the name of Jesus, in the mighty name of Jesus. Heaven listens to Jesus when we call on Jesus. Hey, say a bono chidi moa and sexually.
So what inspired us one?
Public announcement.
Experience, yeah.
Experience, yeah. We'll come to experience.
And we say power.
Hold on. So even when you are over the year experience, that big concert, who will send your house is how?
Oh yeah.
That's like we can planning with the organization. Now,
planning.
not the new way anybody can. Oh, that's the beautiful family. Oh, yes, that's the man. That's the man, Hamilton. Oh, beautiful family. Lovely. Okay, yeah,
And see, me, how should I start the night? And this year it was more on prayer, as in Empire. And people say, how do I start the night? And also stamp my authority, sound a warning. And see, that was all that came to mind.
Sound a warning.
Sound a warning. Sound a warning. Now, when somebody about phone and nan cancel and so normally will be able to say
So how did you sound that
warning? When I entered, the first line was, there is a name that counts the seas and tames the storms. There's a name that changes lives and destinies. So you're born to demons flee when you call that name. We have come in the name of Jesus. So that you know, say. And in Kumasi, I made a statement. And I'm saying, or you're the lion of the tribe of Judah. Or you're Judah Bushia Kumu Jata. So, Papa, you Jata. Say, Cotton one man. In the same way, Jata or more crack. So, Papa, you Jata. Nice, I won't see Jata. Say Judah Papa, the lion of the tribe of Judah. It means say you are the lioness
lion
of the
begets
tribe
lion
of Judah. Now lion be an Australian pa. Ojina hon what him.
The lion roars.
Or roar. And because of common day no. And because when you may be na
or chani
authority.
That's right.
And so he stamps his authority. And one who say, or he sorry. Christopher Manon, so I was so put me Tim Kakrana poor minimum.
Now,
who say, oh, yes, didn't know and you'll be an Oba has said. And so that statement, that opening, it was the opening song, our cry, and it was Nakumas and a catcher will say, yeah, Tim was the man to say, and ye didn't the buy. He came in one name. We have come in the name of Jesus. In the mighty name, because I didn't know what or shooty.
That is the song.
That's the song.
Hey! This ministry of yours, I don't know. But what the gospel music, yes, what the gospel music I call another feat, another level. Ghana. Now, I quite to say why a trailblazer because baby what peja nyum na kodana the words in the song ne nyum no say na sitie no Emma. Now people prefer to listen to gospel, of course, more than gigri. First na it maybe na gospel ho ya ira. You have changed the narrative, I have to say.
We thank God.
You really, only Ken David, you have changed the narrative because first na video no. How do you shoot it? Because your videos are dynamic. What's them say? Dear baby now mujina ne car no say ana nansanya ba ku bia wo twa no lorry park bi no.
Okay.
And where dey here?
Enti erade ya wadie ni
biom. What's that song?
Yesu ya wadie ni biom.
Erade ye.
Sakra wiemu mamie. Yesu ya wadie ni biom we. Nyame ba.
Hey, Nico. Who design and why are 1 hour.
Highly spiritual.
Some trust in charity.
Hold on. Yeah, will tell you, man. You design your own outfits.
I don't make them, I design them. See, I own a clothing brand.
You don't say.
Oh no, I own a clothing brand, DH by DH.
DH by DH.
Bacho.
No, yeah.
Call Instagram now, enter DH by DH. Call my website, dhbydh.com. Obe me beautiful dress. Most of the dresses I wear, eton.
Yeah, I can't cry. Why now designing what? Why now designing?
But we be designing. I'm the man will be some mami.
Hey. Then also no. When did you realize that you have it?
See, I've been doing.
Rebel now who say who was hard, you know.
Me start to say me tunyo me ya na me who say me shatari awe na amanfo apempam baby obe hu no say pam no wan pam ni ye ne ade enti me sister ya me ne try adum ya na o say me talent bi so na me ma yenye clothing brand o kan ya enti me be me clothing brand Facebook page enye ne. It's been years but na nyum na ye de. Then COVID hit and we're all at home.
That is when I will take advantage.
That's when we took advantage of it. Till launch, mid-COVID time. And a launch.
Tadie ni nyina wana wo design. Na o mapa mama. And the brand, how is it going?
Nyame adom.
It's
amazing.
Kofo ton tadie pa.
Kofo ton me pe workers nti. Ope
so me pass mami o. O free akwa. Amanfo be gu ha.
O nko me ho. Wa oni ma dia pampa no. Call DH by DH on Instagram and leave a message. Say, I want to sew for
What's
you.
your number?
Bachomai.
DH by DH.
Or call Instagram DH by DH official. Bachomai.
Any property won't come on.
Sir.
Property.
Property.
And then products on the door, so but you accepted say. Now you used to be sweat to say.
If there's a product I haven't used or I don't approve, I will not push for it. I want to use something I believe in. And property near mano, there be a free a buy, Now I say free good source.
Okay.
And Papa Victor say.
Yeah.
And offer me. And also
family chapel
ne wife and a friend me Mama Veronica and also ne nkrofo or geomudi
and also there no cry Tony Sack na me ne
Uncle Tony estate kasa ye na me ne Brian Boa that is share Emerald. You see integrity, you see humility, you see love of God, you see hard work, you see diligence. Sa niema we no okay kabomwa it's equal to success. And
I just have Bobio
Lord help me. It's integrity, diligence,
integrity, pepeye.
Diligence.
And
Ejumaden. Nyamisro.
God-fearing.
Nyamisro. Oh, there was something else I added. There was about 4. Hard work. Diligence, consistency. Humility. That was the one. Humility. Say.
Yeah, can't humility near baby.
Wow.
About your age after humility.
Humility.
There was a wood and say humility. What to a him acrobat? It is my way. It's equal to success.
I grow up so free anopa.
Don't see you saw all these.
I saw all these.
And Tony
and with time. You know, it didn't start in a day. This relationship and chance here in a day. We started off with young child veteran.
Okay.
And then you realize they're looking for relationship. Only Uncle Tony Kasa. I am not looking for employment. I am looking for relationship. Because when you build the relationship, success na ba yen nyina ye dia afa me catch when na make Uncle Tony na catch me.
Waka bi a me.
Oh, okay.
Nka me man crying. I've known him for years. He's been a friend.
Wow.
This is the family, eh? Family.
Yeah.
And you're not a man.
And the man, yes, sir. I want to do this. Baby, you're free, no? Tinana very important. I mean, be me. Me but person me no to me so kwa sorry way.
That's the first thing you ask.
Oh yes. Ebi ananya gospel na person to gospel there. Who is your father? Where do you eat? Me person me no kwashoko ni benante. Me person me ni obi an be didia. Why over feeding him? Enye aduane papa, feeding him with junk. And so you want to know where you fellowship, which church you go to. Aduane be na why na ma aduane di. It's very important.
And aduane, you're talking about the
word of God. Who gives you the word of God? Where do you eat?
No,
and me mind also. Because of mine, there are so many people singing out there. But you want to know, say, Papa, or say, Bema de Usia, I was so jina, news of war Bema. I said, you was a war Bema, no. One, you should have wisdom, and your Ebia was stature. You could find a big man, or being a new one, or being a no so Casana, baby. Yeah, and so this is a team that came across as this, and one because of where they came from.
That's right.
And with time, we've seen loyalty, commitment, truthfulness. Oh,
because I know him. Yeah. I know Tony and Yeboah. Omode Pepe Yene no credit yo machuma.
Yeah. And me can't say me say from conversations with them, no. I maybe make statement and they are a true picture of that. Say, I don't want to overpromise and underdeliver. I rather want to underpromise and overdeliver.
Wow. But this woman is philosophical. And share program na keke. Or say I don't want to overpromise and underdeliver. But I want to underpromise. That's I mean person me shebo bebre na fe. I say much ado about nothing. Ono de on kasa pi na mom na dwuma be kira mo hu say esa hwene panya dey
enkasa pepe.
The property products, what you should be able to say?
Oh yeah, very good, energy efficient. Otwa eche. Anyama no so e kama, ya kasa ade ya kama, it's to kitchen na.
Asante for na me se busa kama na se ne say.
Kama. Hey. Just say papa e fe ho tie mi tie ntimi nya kama.
Ola kama bro so. Oh say ya use that word na me busa say kama na free na buy obi antimi mo.
Just say fe, ya kasa ade ya kama.
Just say fe. E wani mo nyam.
E wani onyam.
E ho tie.
Sa.
Ya
ba kitchen na fridge si hwa.
Who said property ni?
Sa.
Air conditioner
we try to present as I know dino ye echo kama. Sa.
The blender microwave your property na just say. So you need to know more share say we comment in here ade e kama so bata.
Sa.
It is all catch will be say on top property ade na be catch.
Me catch ne say auto machine papa. Some washing machine say si ade kama echimu kama. Bo how be si be wie no ye ha na wi me ba wo pentama mo ade awo ade ya ye say echimo na afo say twom ba we ebe chim ne kama ma o de hata enche na awo nti enimre be no aka say bia me de sen ho akwa adwuma ba wa time ba hata be wie ba dware be ba na wo no hata mo ade ahye dem. And that's what washing machine na enye washer dryer and how just say because wait me at washing machine no because you Ghana ha area but we also us me pe washer dryer e be chimu na awo ama kama auto fridge onya fridge ade wa de be shim fridge bia ya na e bufu e sha ha na freeze e ba ha na say fridge kro na mu
compartments
oh enya say bia soro de no inside ho na wo de ko ben kan na ho wa kire wa oba na salad aye blog
uyi ba ha
na say by a case temperature air circulating well in every compartment. That's what you get.
Wow. Wow. That's property for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Also the ice cream ground will deal with property more. Emerald. Property ice cream net to say.
Eyepa.
As you say, I don't know my media. And then
property
you see. It's a property. Top Papa Preco. Wow. Okay. Let me activate the lines. What's ye? Anything. Maybe our just a question people said Diana. Now you want to encourage Diana. Property products. And no maybe oba me fear me fridges yo. Yes, be me come for amount I mean use to be. I use it. Ntinye yi say ye kind of sakeke. Come on the line. What's here Diana Hamilton? Entry. I'm fancy go. Now so dear now walker. 0551 931 931 0551 931 931. I have a lot of messages here this morning. Isaac J says, Teacher Kujo, Adante watching you live inside Tiobodom. Adante say fantastic morning show. Honorable Professor Christopher Ameyakumfi. In the UK, if you're a nurse and you don't practice, you lose your NMCP. Okay.
Yeah.
Nana Hima Sapon. DJ say greetings, champ. Oh. And Nana Hima says, I received my unmerited favor. Okay. Maturity speaking. Super Diana. I say from Super Diana. Diana Hamilton. Okay. That's the favor of God, Lord Adoboateng. Indeed, it's by grace of God. God bless you, Mrs. Hamilton. King Bob say classical woman, natural woman, everything perfect. Hits upon hits, music and everything comes to Ghana. Keep it up. We dare your back every day.
Thank you.
Priscilla Ansan say COP to the world. Church of Pentecost to the world. Edo Sakoto, from the days of Osro Bekasa, I knew Auntie Diana was special. Adum Nyame is still working. Then I must say powerful man. Thanks for bringing her over. Mianam Denebe Bremo. Steve Amwako Auntie Diana. On the do I know. I say what's something I say Auntie Diana. Opata Derek. This is a true woman of God. Am I? Francisco Edu Isco. We love her songs too much. She's powerful and a very powerful woman. Please keep it up. Abdul Fosu Malik. He says, Arise Ghana youth. Oh my Ghana and Sem Hapao. Auntie Diana, continue to sing in both English and Chi. The blend, we love it.
Oh wow.
Almost say no normal pay. Mami Brago is the one she's talking about.
Yes.
You know, Mami. I told him he said Nana him answer upon no new. I own you because it's mentioned Mami Brago.
Aye.
Okay. I like this lady so much. Yeah, you can only like her. Bottom line, nothing more. And Sylvester Japan. Sly G, Confanoche Taxi Union. Diana, I love your music. God bless you, sister. Nice one. Abraham Ruthie, Comfort Sam. Francisca Fiastedu says, God bless you more. Okay, let me get to the lines and then pick one or two calls. Hello? Yes.
Auntie. Oyibo na shule.
Oyibo yeti wano pay.
Ma Diana Baso. Na meniji ni hu. Mi woni nyom wo mi fun ni so. Mi be adwuma ni nyom na mi bo asana mi di sati adwuma. I can say adum no. Ni nyom adum ni de damakuma so pa. Na nyame hia no. Wan so bo nyom pa ya business ku pro ka ho. Yes yes. Yes, yeah, the GDC
upon your business for account. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Chohani.
Tato Kojuni.
You're free.
Tato Samia.
Into your Kojo.
Oh my. Let me show. Inshallah, Father said, what they said, what they done a better on a man, they get penas and brita. The penas and papa says. That
is called decency. Decency. Also, me kase. If you need to be permanent nasi, and so swag. Nya kichucha baby na niema bi yi fa baby and go yi. Aka. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, Sam. Pacho Wanye.
Pacho Femi.
Mauneso kakra.
Pacho Femi Edmond.
Edmond, mami ti ano pay.
Oh my, many interview now my
say.
My team interview about me and the only interview many Japan. We never say what two oh many I mean channel.
Sounds Siana one fans kakra also senior man so that Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Wanye.
Pacho Mensani, me friend New Botiano.
Botiano, my intel. Oh yes, you're all over. We are all over Ghana.
Mama, Mama nyame nhyira wo pa. Nyame nhyira wo. O de Ghana e ko high.
Amen.
Man, hello, good morning.
Hello.
Pacho Waini.
Pacho, your friend Mercy, because I'm for a bossy.
Mercy, my into pay.
Pacho, your parents have some pan, Pacho, your person will be signed a baby out free and
Uncle, dear Babu, we are a Pacho Diana free.
Pacho, me free and carry and kakum.
And carry. Oh, say carry more fast. A carrier for veggie fancy afa. And carry a crack room.
Kakum.
In Kakum. Asante Mantema.
Aye, we do carry and what tell.
No, so we are Santini.
Oh, me a Santini, me a Santini, I had to tell me so Africanta.
Ah, Africanta.
Aye.
What's Africanta?
What's Africanta? That because school New Oxford.
New Oxford.
A Justice Hotel of
Pani and Pemasem. I didn't call me APS. So New Oxford. Let me call APS.
Oh,
today, you know what I press to one. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, Pacho, how are you?
Pacho, because of the point.
Pajama, made you.
I am a born about the 9 of pain. The children will not. Minister and the children will defend that and the children of my number time is a minister was free with you. Benjamin said, my child gave you one home, I was a Ghana, and it's informing you as a one in the pan, no more what you know on Pancata, extra. Over I went a month for my yacht to talk about telling you deal with a new money and no more one cata, then could point out 2 months. So Yamin said, no, pay down and travel there. What do you?
Obekosa, hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, okay. Line with the hot tea. Hello. Hello.
Good morning, man.
Morning. Why you? Nana, I'm in too.
Oh my own, especially to me, none of I also, and not opening and continuing Uncle Phone. Sending entirely into the phone. She couldn't labor, not drink a crack. So, to cut coffee, the family phone and brain watching, and then more anti banana on the bar, okay. And then we still not maybe in the fact of being a bonum mechanic. Even those who would go in not wow. And see Emma,
and Tinata me bow. Whoa, no crano. One fine young no crime could do off a year hospital. It's a crowd ball came. Who could do hospital on wow?
Yes, within a short, a very short.
I'm trying to ask myself this question. What is it with this essential song?
I am since they wanna.
No. What is it with that essential song?
I'll tell you
that. When you were singing that song here, I know what I was feeling. I'm telling you. Yes, you said, "May you Christoni." Oh, okay.
It was a serious banter.
Serious banter between Winnie Nyame.
Yeah.
Say Radinye Bibi. Was it about health?
No, okay. I can say a holy passion. But I got to a place where I was close to angry. And I'll tell you why. So we got to a point. I said, "So far, I'm finding some to so I'm umpire. I'm a I said, "Oh, Phyllis, I was say, what's me who mini panel
and sana BBSC.
But Bible say, or suma na semono kosanyarwa." And there are things we've read in the Bible. I said, "And Sanctuary bi wa Bible mun kwa na yakan." Na ya ka story ni kire yen wo asori na yen feeling. The Spirit of God is here. The Spirit of now would know feel Spirit to say
it gets me angry.
Spirit
I can identify with you. Utimi ko baby. No be afanyom. I feel the Spirit here. Wow, what you feel is the Spirit.
And so I got to that point and I said to Erade, I want people to experience you in the comfort of their home. Not because I invoke presence, I manufacture presence. Yes, we need all these lighting and smoke and all that, but that is not the presence of God. The presence of God should be tangible, that you can feel it in your home. And what's in a camera?
What's in a camera?
Yeah, acquire near was
say, I want my eating, doctor say, my eating. And Obana say, was sena on the phone, so Uncle Fee go find the phone. Into an fire no connect man a car. And all bow candy. A timia connect, he say. By the time we drew Hono, I want him wire dinner bana.
Oh, Bonyomono can't say, baby, I'm a Gina Casano. It gave the song a different feel. David Wahana Michantro. I knew what I wanted to say. But for once,
this
song, sir, I this year when you now quantity upon Cosway.
Yeah,
a tomb for him now qua a year the day.
Ecclesiastes chapter 10, verse 5 to 7.
What is school? When you have been a core school, when in school, I'm a call ye. You can you go? Sister, ye go.
My God.
Why you be down? Oh, I warm my sister now. You go, you go, ye. Wow, what papa. Wow, now what chimpai was swan. I was already say, oh, hey, I thought I'm not going to send me your dish here, my jewelry. Me can't send you why I'm me jealous so. But me tia say what's so no. Uni amena kasa.
Yes.
You can go to God and speak. Me meet me there konyo so say ready tonight and say I mean tia say. Enya mpa ni nyina na ebuko to jobo mpa. You have a conversation. Me tia say. Chemasie. I just share when he na kwati tia pon ko ready. Me tia me tithe. This means me tia me school fees. It's not right.
Yeah.
O see and share your tithe and watch you to see whether you will not open the floodgates.
The floodgates of heaven.
And me floodgates na ready. E when he I just share when he na kwati tia pon ko so yi. I don't me share me tithe. Na here me adenti na me somwo. O see me mumi kunu, me no me kunu. Ma ye ni nyina awoi me ema. And so me ma kani nyina area ya church akaka me tell am say sha me pese me dey accord pese me mano say na make enti erade ma no say ma ha won awka.
So the feel and the passion that came with the song, the impact is just too much. Too much. You cannot play this song not BBC or Wabrabo. Untimi monum we na what you hosa and I don't know say if you're a dummy. Nipa gua homano so ba yemre no so aso. When him said Diana so wa ko gina home. Ohini. Me hu say utie as you are Thierry.
Be anti Diana gina o keka staff no. This week ya na me gina ho. Enyumre mi ko fie na me dia akonwa si o na me say Awurade me no be kasa. Na niam bi koso amea no kra no me so me nti ase. Bonne die maye bida. Ba wasem na wo de boni che o de boni che se wo boni ti se ko jan a mema na ye se su kire ma no wan papem se de wakodi awudie na wo de be che no binim se me ya bai wo ma ye boni masrew se se ma baji wadi 18 years muni papa mi da ben na me wo enti mi di wachi mi do mi ku mi pesa wade mi ma wade ku papa o percent awade ni mu na masan komachi na masan akotwempna time enti be srew me mobo me bompa ya me say anti dine ha menti nyankopon kai me nso mama 18 years mu na me ginan me twetese me busanse mana aferi o man na me da fom na me su ti baby anti dine na gina no o gina ho twam no me gina ho na de o keka no this week ya makeka bi sanse ya na emu ya to de bia na emu ya anje da na mi gina sorry dem to nyoma itimi ka de onima na nyom to on fanya wo no ati bia sorry dem o minua kristoni anka ono no be se nkrane enti onyame wo mram nti ensenkyerene de de age se bisi na yesu enyankopon hunu se yesu enyame tiasa eni pagi enyame ni di me se awrade de bia metemfna mem me bo abodi me kansama kase edi ne be mani pagi me nyankopon no edi age se bibies
amen kansama nchiro me nsa wate da me ye ensi wiye me ye osoro be kasa na maware na me nwoe me ye ensi wiye na me nwoe ena me to say ye ko yenkoto dwani mu a Oma ya ye no so nyame ye diniye Yehowa ya dio mire ono ano tutu ya na wonsi ono ano de enkono de mba na me to an maka eyo no na wa moni bi enya bi eyo no na wa mani osu asere na nyame aye bi o na maka we ese me kase nyame timi maboni ne wonta but me ameka sa asem no me ngoi kwatire kwase mount ma ya tie ni din me yeda kase ma boni ni wonta na me ngoi me tonwum ni nyina akosi ya manka na me kofi na anajo nyame ne me prayer sentu person o kyerese me nsetia sensoje ana se maso eduru se ne wo ka nti ana papa na me frɛ King David
na ko to shame
na me to shame a obehu because me King David 90 years he didn't know I was struggling for the fruit of the moon. He didn't know he thought ba na nemba ana me na me pese ba o just any say bia me na me ready
so be
se me wo enti no man kan che ne say sa asem ni ntime say pese me koto no worship style to my sign ko na mento nsanyo no ofa ensi ye album na e was sumienu.
That's right.
A praise and a worship to be koye na ma san start me tonyum ya me ntuminka me twa nti me ende no ena me kind of once ona maboni ni wonta na me mpa ebonya nsenka at least media maka na emom ka dambasi me fade ho ne off nanka aye ne ebeye nanka ya enyum no oboni nyina akosi say went o maboni ni wonta no was one of the last statements I'm making one no so me be afia na mse rade nyo de ma famu no ma me famu bio nti se me nwo ya me nko studio bio enko tonyum na me nyame eyesa me ka sa asem ne kire no na se ne ye be ya wo be hu se mani abre no me trauma dance die enwum ato ho enwum ne se madanse die ne mesmo nyame a otiase nyame a omaboni ni wonta no waya mami obeya ma wo madanse die ne minimu ne nyame a ya mami nyame a omaboni ni wonta no waya mami obeya ma wo nso me trust anyo na me mpa ho da na me miss me period krada and I wrote that song midway through that me da ho anopa na me kunu so no so do nyame aka asem a kire me and it's a song enshira na meshira me mama dom na buso ama wo me ba enshira na meshira me mama dom na buso ama o se meshira wo yemma meshira wa yemmoa meshira wo fidua ne wonsa no adwuma me ma wo so me be frin kwaso mu me de wasi aba pomat na bea wate na wona wo hu wo sere wo no wo be hu na wasi won trase enshira na meshira me mama dom na buso ama wo. Hallelujah. These songs came into God was filling a whole album. I was telling you, I'm aware.
Wow, God.
Also, be sure me yamma empo my yamwa. Now, one hour who was srewono, obe who na was one transit. Said the bear dance the be ya fentino. I was actually them for you na fro bonini. Na nyame aso no I want for na omunyina ba be.
We receive it.
Me want for so.
Yes.
Me want me tro me dance die no na me mpa ho da na me wo ye no achede because obi e be hwe say am pa say ma odi say hwe nyame
o say hwe nyame take it up me say ye be ya adoring bi o fie ha ho across the world it shall come to pass, my dear. God bless you. God bless you. Diana, dear, now DJ and the MPJ mo. Meaning, sir, still I'm Gulano. So, if I'm trying, yeah, Mommy, I frame you. Diana, dear, now DJ.
Yeah, me kind of say, Nyankopo in Shramo. Some Pamo studio, how you beautiful.
O man, what did you say?
Pacho Michaela and Michael.
Ooh,
yeah, the Obanic to me, mamma, and the man to me kuno.
Now, what's the studio not to say?
Studio near beautiful. And Uncle Charles, my UK manager, or sending us some Facebook video near very clear.
HD.
Or catch them or send him a message. I just thought I should let you know. It's a beautiful studio. Me per set up no. I mean, shamu boy juma. Me the fear have force. Na ma catch ohini ni. Asa.
So for mommy
premeni papa. Ay nyami show. Nyame be surprise no surprise what time for nyina so yesterday na ma that on sack.
Yeah.
And property. Niema edwumafo nyina ase. Say omabu yembie no ma friend say ni dwuman na etiefo so maka kire mo say aden de wo to a no to papa preko.
That's right.
Esan say so beto mienu de to ba ko na enso nche. Ai nyame nhira obi bia.
Nyame nhira pa. Emera de na wo kan. All right. Also on cafe. So akasa. I was here for a better diner entry Hamilton I say. And the manager Papa back up Ken David. Down so I say Tony Sack Company with the property product so you know what did you ma so ni ashase wa ha my name said the relationship as a kind will continue your boy manager so you da say boy Juma pa very humble personality boy Juma me did your man here Dubache the chief executive producer Bright Entry Akosia Soma Kuku Jando ably directed the show no by Aki Ola and Roxin Rocky so wahanomo and we say the general manager Tofia Kwa so abebo refi hanomo ka kire obi graphics pacho busame
they be our swag say ya won
ayamia no anam de namu
powerful pacho ya monko hwe no TV no so da onye ni part wasa.
All right Aliti yeah Daniel Hona Rocky de nyoma beto aso amae nyame nka ho say only edi ijuma. Have a wonderful day. I'll leave you with Ensanchene. Manager Ensanchene wa bro.
Yes sir. Tofia.